Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Oh, go on, Tommy. Blessings and respect, man. Big up yourself, man. Trumpet. See, not guilty. I don't know if I read another one day. You know. Munche. Why, that is what you call projection, man. About now beard and whatever. You know beard from how much days, right? I know you want to come through your crosses for me, don't. Craigton in the building. Real boss, devout and thing. Munche say come bite my forehead. Aye, boy. Can't bother, you know. And the problem is, you know, any of me bite you, know, you're going to like it. That's the problem. You're going to like it. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I bite your forehead. Natalie, what's going down, boo-boo? What's going down? Eh? Kimberly, me see you. Yvette, large up. Yeah, everything is everything. CBS in the building. That's right. Yeah. I don't know, you know, it's like, in time coming, so me get the sniffles. You see, I'm not sniffle yet. Give me like an hour or half hour or so. And then my lips like dry out. It's from the light. Kingsley from Toronto, Canada. This are you there. T-Dot. Natalie, are you great? Are you just saying that? Are you really great? Or are you just saying that? Like, you know, like courtesy. Eh? But are you really great? JTS, big up yourself, man. Blessings. Brit Shy. What a name. Brit Shy. Brit, are you really shy, Brit, or just your name that, eh? Are you really shy? Eh, Brit? Starboy in the building. Brit said she's very shy. Why I don't believe her? I don't believe her. Nah, catch me with a shy something they don't. Nah, catch. She said, I am very shy. I don't believe you, Brit. I don't believe you. Lisa, you're in Birmingham. Well, I know Birmingham a little bit, you know. Craigton place that too, you know, but I don't really know it like that. But I've been there many times, but just in and out, you know. Miss Robin, you know. People, you see all them big dirty lie, you know. You see all them big dirty lie there with people with Munchie. I am cooking. Me soon come tap. Say she a cook. People don't ask me. You see somebody in that chat named Craigton, just ask him. Just ask Craigton. Because I don't want to think say me and what. Ask Craigton if Munchie can cook. And Craigton I go tell you, I go answer you and tell you, say no, him know some Munchie can cook. People don't just ask Craigton. Ask Craigton, Munchie can cook? And look what Craigton I go say. Right? Ask Craigton if watch it. One big fat no. Watch it. No again. No. Right? Watch it. I'll ask somebody else. I said no. Rafisha. Jet set air travel. Rafisha said no. I'm not even going there, but Rafisha said no. But Craigton said no, Rafisha said no. We all like a third party no. You understand? JP said not a ras. See, people know that she can't cook. Stacey Henry said she can't cook and whatever. What's with you?
Mr. Ragashanti, hi sir, how are you?
Yeah, good evening, whatever. See how much people say, Stacey Henry say you can't cook. JP say you can't cook. Craigton say you can't cook.
I bet you a town them come from.
What?
A Kingston them come from, you know?
We
They
don't
don't
know
know
about
better.
that. The people them know say
They
you
don't know
can't
about
cook.
cooking.
They know say they can. All right then, all right. What you make a prove say you can't cook right now?
Uh-huh.
How you cook stew peas?
Me not eat stew peas.
That is your answer for say you can't cook.
I don't eat stew peas.
I did not ask you if you eat it. Me never
I
ask,
don't
me
cook
ask if
it.
you eat it. Me ask if you eat it a while ago. Me ask if you eat it. Me say, oh, you cook stew peas. That me ask you. And you gonna tell me where you not
Okay.
eat. And when
Okay.
listen. I
Okay,
want
let's
hold
go.
on. In an ninja man voice. Listen to me. I want to categorically state that I am not the least bit interested in what you eat and what you don't eat. That's not my prerogative, okay? Right?
If you ask me to make cornmeal porridge, I can tell you.
We have been down this road before, right? We've been down this road before. And we knew what happened with your mother and the whole thing. We knew what happened, okay? Right? People should try if you make cornmeal porridge and it come out like boiled pee-pee. Like it never right? It looked like really heated pee-pee. That it looked like, you know. It never, you know, in Jamaica we say you don't have no body. No, I can't eat porridge, you know, it just looked like yellow water, yellow pee-pee water. It never looked good. Your cornmeal porridge never looked good. So we're not going there. We're not going there. And we know, so one night time you bust out with some whatever, and people don't know, so she come with some porridge one night time and post, and we I say, Jano, look like she redeem herself and thing and whatever. We I said, no, sir, the porridge look good. Only for find out her mother cookie porridge, her mother make it porridge.
Raga, can we have a cook-off on here?
What?
Can we have a cook-off competition on here?
No, my mind. Listen to me. We can, you know. I'm just saying, for me who can cook, and me put it out there, say me is not a good cook. But any of me you have a cook-off, you're just dead. You're just dead. So if you have suicidal tendencies, we could make this happen, you know?
Yes,
all right?
set the date.
Now we could make me I go live, you I go live, whatever, we are cook and them I see what I go on or whatever.
From start to finish.
Yeah, and thing like that. I mean, no, really think about this, you know, because if you do it,
I don't need to think about
your
it.
career I go flop, you know. You understand?
I don't
Me
need to
just
think
make you
about
know,
it.
you know, the embarrassment I go too. It a go rough on you, you know. So me just want you just really think about this, you know. If you really want to subject yourself to this type of you know, destruction that I would deliver on your person. You understand what I say? Okay?
Raga, I'm going back to cook. Have a blessed night.
Where you cook now?
I cook corned beef and white rice.
That,
you know, so I'm gonna eat it.
But what? But what?
I don't eat meat.
Come on, by Jamaican standards, you know you can't say
That's the bully beef.
No. Well, me know about the bully beef, but what me I say, in our culture, you know, so we can cook bully beef and get somebody and then we be like, oh my God, this is so, oh my God, what did you put in it? Big deal. But we know in the Jamaican culture, you can't say you cook and a bully beef, you say you cook. We know it. Come on.
I don't my nieces them want.
No,
bully beef and white rice.
All right. Oh, you cook stew chicken. Simple.
Oh, okay. Raga.
Yeah.
Brown stew chicken or stew chicken?
Brown stew chicken.
You get the chicken.
Mm-hmm.
You cut it up. You clean it. You wash it with lime, vinegar, fresh lime or lemon. I don't use the one in the bottle to wash it.
Go on talk.
Then I fry it to get you like a color.
As we say in Jamaica, you're brown. But no. Oh, you reach, you said that, may I tell you, oh, you reach fry already.
Me clean all season it.
People, you see some people. You see, she just just kill herself. She just kill
You have
herself.
to season
She
it.
just kill herself. You see it? She just kill
I
See
did.
the
I
people
did.
in there,
I
you
just
just kill
did.
yourself.
I
You just
did.
kill yourself. You, all right, I'm glad you own it
I
and embrace
did.
it. Cause I said some white people cooking that boy, you this and that. And you start out good,
No
you know.
season at all.
No, man, you did
Oh
start out good,
God.
man. You did start out good, you know, cause you know the lime and the
Me need a
vinegar and the
slap out of
wash
your
and thing
tambourine.
and
Me
whatever.
feel.
No, you did.
Correct and move on, boy,
No,
no?
no, you did start out good, you know.
I am
'Cause
going to
no, let me
exit
tell
now.
you,
Okay, me kill myself.
voila,
My
you
God.
nailed it with the lime and the vinegar and whatever, you know, because that's enough people flap when it comes to Jamaican cooking and thing, and then all of a sudden you fling a chicken them after you watch
Me
them
just
with
fling it in the
lime
hot
and vinegar, you
oil.
just fling them in a pot so and start fry them. So,
Jaja.
jeez and peace, not even Raga would have do that. Before
Not
you
even
go,
Raga would I do that before I make the stew
before you
chicken
go,
soup.
tell me where you that season it with? Because see what go on
Oh,
if you can redeem yourself. Here you know, here you
I
know.
use the chicken season.
Yeah.
I use paprika and I use onion powder and garlic powder. I don't put browning on it either. So what happened?
You claim say you's a Jamaican with big
Tomato and
Voila,
onion
no,
Raga.
no, voila. You claim say now when I try to fix it up now. You claim say you's a Jamaican, a big cook Jamaican. And I say, oh, you seen it. Me give the opportunity for redeem yourself. And you claim say you're a good Jamaican cook and a beer powder you come out with. Beer powder.
The onion,
A beer powder
the
you come out.
onion, the pepper.
Listen to me, a beer powder you come out with a while ago, right? You're one of them powder seasoning
No
cooker.
salt, no.
Yeah, you're one of them powder seasoning cooker there, whatever. And Jamaica no rate them cooking there. Yeah, look, a powder seasoning can go in there, you know, all purpose and all these things or whatever. But watch it, Craigton say you flop bad. Right? When me see
You know what, Raga?
King Parking Enforcement say, Munchie, you will learn. That's a nice way of saying that your cooking pop down. Right? He's being diplomatic. Right? Christina Brown Sugar said, oh, love my sister. Well, she got defend her.
Thanks, yeah, sis.
Yeah, because she in a ANC and she have baffan too because she can't cook either. Right?
No, you're not gonna style up my sister like that, you know?
No, she can't cook
You are
either.
not going to style my sister like that.
Listen to me. Them go tell Christina say when you cook, you can put a little alcohol in it, you know, whatever. And Christina go put Tia Maria in a curry chicken.
It tastes good.
Whatever,
It tastes
man.
good.
Whatever, man.
It
Right?
tastes really good.
You can't put coffee liquor in a curry chicken and thing. Will you ever
It
hear
was
that yet?
good.
You can't do
Chicken
that,
was
man.
good.
You understand? We don't know what I go on this, so you know. No, you know what I say? I know me kill you, you kill yourself today, do you know, 2 times, you know. 2 times you flap yourself, but
Have a
anyway.
blessed night, okay?
All
Love
right.
you, Raga.
Yeah, and
Love you, sisters.
all the best with the bully beef, yeah?
Awesome.
It a go rough on them knees then. No, me don't want none, cause me
You
no
sure?
know. No, me don't want none. No, listen to me.
As correct and say a bully beef
No,
soup.
hear what me I say, me not eat your bully beef, yeah? That me I tell you, yeah?
You're not gonna eat. Comment Raga,
Yeah?
comment investigator over here is about to record you live.
Who?
Anytime you see that check mark there,
What?
him over here.
Who is who?
He's a screen recorder page.
He's the
He's
what?
gonna He's good, man. Him good.
Him good?
Hey sis.
What you mean? What am I gonna do?
Him gonna just record it and put it on him page. You good, man.
Put it on him
This
page for what?
conversation right here,
Yeah.
yeah, him gonna record it.
But is it gonna be a problem?
No, it's not. No.
Oh, okay.
100% not. No. You good, man.
Okay. But what is comment
You're good.
investigator?
Who is Raga? Him mouth wassy like for you, see?
My mouth wassy? No, man, I behave myself no man. Well,
Raga, him know how to draw out people.
oh, for real?
What?
Well, all right. Well, big up comment investigator. If my charges say you're good, then you're good. Right?
Him good, man.
She may can't cook, but you know, we rate
I know
our,
to draw out people.
judgment other ways, you know. All right.
Bye, Raga.
Bye. All the best with the bully
Later.
beef. Yeah. Yeah.
That remote doesn't work in here no more.
All right. Okay. Watch ya. People, you see that one when you're Naki B, where you see come in as a Naki B, I want to crew them in the ANC here, the Ansness crew. You see the one on here, Christina Brown Sugar, and the one on here, Naki B, them two that we are defending her. Them a family, them a virtual family. So don't get it twisted. Me I call them out and make it more what go on. Them original, right? Them are like line sisters, you know, in a sorority and all these things, and them defend them one another straight to the You see one next one there? You see that one when you're Antasha? Yeah, she had the other one too. Them in the ANC, right? Antasha, she's Mama Ants, right? The de facto leader. And thing, so when they see them and defend them one another, I don't think there's anything random here. It's all strategic, right? I saw them turn. Yeah, I saw them turn and defend them one another right to the core. The one in here, Antasha. The one in here, Christina Brown Sugar, and Auntie Ants. Naki B. Yeah, I want whole crew of them, man. Okay. And if you don't mind shot, then gang you up and beat you after and thing, then turbulent way there, you understand? Oh, thank you, Antarsha. No, I refuse to be silent with a money gun. I refuse to be silent with a money gun. Raga, why am I not getting your notification? No, it's not you alone, darling. Pretty much everybody in here never get no notification, believe it or not. I don't even know what. You want me to prove it to you? All I want to do, I want to get notification. Pretty much everybody who there just knows some start around them time and come, you know. Yeah, you see, watch it, you see that? Be or no. Them not get no notification either. Yeah. So, you know, from a few days ago, one person said they did, yeah. But most of them not get no notification. Most of the great majority of who you see here is a people who just know when my page and come on the page and come check it, you know. And when the notification them send out, you know, a lot of people come in and then you know, more requests come in, more calls, so to speak, and then it thing nice. But from what I don't know what TikTok I do and thing, but them not really TikTok. One thing when we read TikTok for them really good at making people know say you're on when I do live, you know. But it nah do it for me from what year. But whenever I do it, it sell off. Tory, tell them once they send the daily heart me and set up the notification. I don't know any Tory because yeah, I figure you're in California, you said 3 p.m. I don't know any Tory because a lot of people say them set it and it not come true.
That's what I do.
You get notification?
Yes.
But a lot of people say them do the them do what them for do with the, I think it's a bell, and then them say them click all and whatever, and them say them still not get it. See, somebody that is so risky say I used to get it, but anytime them get it, you know, I can't know when the notification them go out because woolly people there. And when it not go out, you see people come and say, Raga, I never get a notification. Like right now, it never go out.
For me, whenever I click, because I send you daily heart me every time.
Yeah.
So once I come on to TikTok, the notification will notify me that Raga is live. Please join or go watch him.
Oh, from the daily heart
So the
me?
orange heart me that people send.
Yeah.
There's a thing there. So even every time the person click the daily heart me, there's points that they need to claim.
Yeah, again, I'm not an authority on this, but I'm telling you, people said they did that And Christina is saying, nope, not so. I'm just telling you that the last time when we were talking about it, a bunch of people said, no, we did all of that. And them never get no notification. So I don't know, you know.
Oh, well,
Yeah.
for me, I get my one. So.
You get your one, yeah. That must
Yeah.
because you're proper good as you know. So you know, TikTok rate you and afraid of you. You know, so TikTok say, yeah, TikTok say no. Make we send over tour notification because we don't want tour come back so don't and kappa club over here. You understand? And things, so you see, true, you're a warrior and gangster, and TikTok knows so you're proper actors and all these things and whatever. Yeah, that's why, so Tracy Bless she get fear one day.
See there?
Boy, Renice, I tell you, she get, but the way she phrase that one day, I don't even know if you know, free. You know, see what Renice, right? Look at Renice, right?
I get it all the time.
She said, I get it all the time.
Really?
Bombard! Renice! No, Renice! Renice, let me get you a show up, power, so. No, sir, Renice, you must tired you now, down.
Really?
In Renice, you must tired you now. Renice, I want me to know, no lucky, I get it all the time. All the time. Renice, you just get it, so don't cool you too. So, Tori, what go on in your life, you know?
I'm there. Sit down and I watch the better one.
You must be a Jamaican. Medea.
Of course.
Medea. Boy, hey.
Authentic Jamaican.
No, man, I want our signature line that, you know. What go on, Medea? Medea. That's like classic vintage Jamaican, you know. When you hear something, you say, yeah, that's the Jamaican.
I left Jamaica 11 years, but the Jamaican not come out of me, you know?
Come out of you.
Not come out of me no time at all.
11 years, I just what year, man. I'm going to like 11 years long and whatever.
A long time, that.
No, man, that just what year. What you want them people left you all 6 months and go back to Jamaica and thing, and when them a chat, you don't never know say the same. Then Michelle, now you just left here 6 months ago. I'm not even figuring out what you're saying right now. Hello, you understand? Yeah, some of them man who when they left little bit and come back and whatever, like nobody in a boss right now. Miss Lula one or thing about them and whatever, then catch accent. Yeah. And them come back and thing. Anyway, Tori, big up yourself, you know, and thanks for your support and all these things, you know, all right?
You're welcome.
All right, it goes some man. Tori.
All right, look more.
Yeah, last question.
Want me know?
You beard for a man.
Of course.
What the name of your soap? What it name?
Ole and Dove.
What?
The Ole.
You are one of them who beard with two soap?
Yeah.
You beard with the Dove first and then you use the Ole after.
No, the Ole first and then the Dove first.
No,
Dove after.
No, that not sound right.
Yes, because a moisturizer.
Oh, the Dove have the moisturizer in it?
Yeah.
But hold on, then the Ole, you know, the Bosia a more expensive one than Dove.
No, man, you have some Dove, man, were really expensive.
More expensive than oil of Ole?
Yeah.
Anybody?
Where the Raga?
Dog bite, you need for coming. Anybody, anything goes up? Let me see. People, you have Dove were more expensive than oil of Ole? Somebody say nope, or somebody say yes, you're lucky. Somebody say no, then yes. Then another yes. Then another okay, the yes, them I lead, you get saved. I would never think that, you know. We come back in the day, you know, with oil of a lady did it with Clinique and all them something up the something, you know, and thing, and then Dove and Ivory was on the same level back in the day. But yeah, I said Dove thing step up, you know.
Dove thing step up. Dove have a one we call redefining or something like that. It's really nice. I like it.
Oh.
First time you use it.
So you use the Ole first to cut the dirt and then the Dove to smooth up your thing and all them something.
Of course.
So you swap up 2 times every time you beard?
3 times.
3 times?
Yes.
For real?
Seriously.
You know, some I believe you.
Of course.
No, I believe you. Not like Munchie, you know? No, not like Munchie. Munchie bathe every 3 days with Ivory and whatever. So she save money. But that's her issue and whatever. No, I believe it. Say you swap up 3 times. So when your rinse water always clean and just like, you know, no dirt, no in it, don't it? Okay, good. Your rinse water no brown.
No,
No.
never.
And your skin smooth and all them something like that?
Like baby.
Jeez, like when man hug you up, them love for like rub up your skin down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My body thick and nice, you know.
Sure. Jeez, and then no, you and if you swap up 3 times, you know, one of them when you hug them and you rub them back, you feel the dirt or rub off under your hand. Yeah, sometimes that happen. Yeah.
We use the African net scrub.
Yeah.
We are on the place now, so that
You use the what?
African net sponge or whatever. Yeah.
I want of them there, the
Instead
oofa,
of
the
bathing
oofa,
rag,
oofa,
instead
the
of the bathing
oofa.
rag.
I want of the oofa, loofa, something of them there.
Next to Ufa, but it better. Go on Amazon.
Wait, name?
African net sponge.
Alright, but the next
See,
one,
somebody said African net cloth.
African net cloth. But tell me something, you know. My fast in your bit, because you say you're thick and nice and
The reggae is not supposed to go for my page and see that one.
eh?
How much time coming up live?
Then we come in here. You want to fix up that a while ago, you just say.
All right.
No,
You
well,
join my live
let me
a
just
lot of
tell you what you say. Let me tell you what you say, you know. You say, look how much time you come in on my life. Bombard! Yo! Don't play with me. Don't play with me, people. You see me a tour thing, whatever. Oh, we're out and bad. We're out and bad. Who are a problem? Yeah, who are a problem with it? A problem with it. Yeah, I saw what thing said. Yeah, right? And you know, so I must go and good then because she can come on social media and say, no, Raga, I want to see you, man. Sure. You don't know, so rate you, man. Look how much you're coming on my life. Sure. No. Yes, Tory, make them know. All who can catch feelings about it, I feel them problem that.
Yeah.
Tell me something. Oh, like when you scrub the middle of your back properly. Talk it through.
It long, you know. African knits go from one side to the other.
Oh, wait, name?
The African knit scrub.
African neck scrub.
Net sponge.
Oh, net. You know,
Net,
so all this
yeah.
time I think a neck, yeah, say. Hold on there. Let me see it. African net scrub. Because them sent me one long brush from me use and it's kind of annoying. Oh, it come right on the top. African net sponge. Oh, them something. So well, I know. All me I see the net, you know, roll up, you know.
Yeah, and you take it and it use less.
Dog bite, may I come here, may I come dog bite. Yeah, what you say? And what?
It take less soap and it's sewed quickly.
And it's sewed
wash it good, man.
You know, so me I go try it.
Yeah, man, try it and come back and give me your feedback.
All right.
Can't
Yeah.
say Tori never teach you something.
No, I'm going to come over your live and tell them, say, because any it no work and thing or whatever, I come over there and tell you, say, you know, say that thing the way you send it no work, or if it work, I go, because I no see it have nothing at the end.
Yeah, there's nothing. You hold it from one end to the other.
So you actually hold the net? Sitting?
Yeah.
And you know, we in Jamaica, we love when the soda come out of the thing. So
I say something study, you use less soap and you get it well sewed.
Brick Brata say if you change it every time when you shower.
It is normal, you don't need to change it because guess what? It gets like all the bacteria or anything like that. It's easy dry and all of them something.
Oh, 1 second. Munchie, I hope you hear that here. If you start to try this, you don't need to change it. You don't need... Munchie, she keep one of her bathing rag for 5 years and her line sister and them, they tell her that she really need to change it, you know?
Then that not supposed to sniff raga?
Yeah, but I tell her she keep her bathing rag for 5 years.
You know, I always send a Jamaica for the one them at the China man shop before, but I buy this last week and it good.
Oh, okay. Well, in the case of Munchie, fear excuse was that she did buy it when COVID start. and she never have no time for going nowhere else to buy it because she did lockdown, which is a lie, we all know. But them tell her, you know, say you can't really have a bathing rag for 5 years and things. So we just have to warn her, you know, and things and make sure.
So you put up Munchie business out there, so.
No, we're trying to help her. You know, we're trying to help her. But it's already out there. But I'm going to try the African scrub sitting here, you know. I'm going to try it. No, because serious, I'm going to try it. I'm going to make you know what I'm going. Here, Tori.
Yeah, man.
Good as Tori. Bombard. Yo. Look how much time, Raga. Coming on your live, no. Listen to me now, man. Yo, them head hurt them right here now. People dead around here, yeah.
Yeah.
All right, Tori, big up yourself, yeah? Cool.
All right, Raga.
Yeah, man, love and blessings, man, cool.
Blessings. Cool.
People, I'm going to try the African scrub something, you know, because I have one of them brush there, you know, two. Man, them kind of annoying, man, and you can't get for scrub, you know.
Morning, Ministry.
Yo, dog bite, where I go down?
Yo, where you say, me?
You don't know, so how you did that chat to a while ago?
I'm a wife, me I say, me not see the correct wet in my fridge.
No, man, big up your wife for me, you know. Big up that woman for me, you know. Big up that lady there for me, you know. Dog bite, big her up for me, man.
Eh?
Eh?
Yeah. Yes, me G.
Yeah.
What?
You know, so Milo asked if I you that. Empress Ija, she's Milo. You remember Milo, right?
Milo?
Yeah.
And I drink a cup of Milo right now.
Nah, you not drink that cup of Milo there, yeah? You can't drink that cup of Milo there. Leave it right there.
No, Milo, not a Milo. There. Me not say I drink she. Me say me without drink a cup of Milo, no she.
No, what? What?
You're a real troublemaker.
No, me not a troublemaker. Me just say Milo, and you talk about drink a cup of Milo. My friends, so me I tell her, say, no, you not drink that Milo there.
Big up Milo.
Yeah, go drink Alex or Minty or something else, but you're not drinking that Milo. I can't tell you, say you would never get to drink that Milo there. All right? All right.
You know where you go with this, you know, but...
No, where you with it, it's not going anywhere. It is...
all we know you're not coming to Milo inbox.
Well, you say me not coming to Milo life, no. Hey, God. Yeah, good thing Milo a gangster, you know. She's a sport. So Milo probably a laugh right here, you know. Yeah, so,
African scrub sponge thing.
yeah.
Yeah, man. It's good because you have different...
Well, before you even start, you're a liar. You've never used it before.
I relax and listen to me. The African sponge scrub, you have different grades. You have mild, you have like, you know, like sandpaper.
Yeah.
You have different levels to it.
Yeah.
So like me, I talk about Munch, you know, she'd have to get the super grade.
She get... No, that not gonna do nothing for her. Munch really need like what we call steel wool.
Yeah, but me I tell you, you have the steel wool level to it.
You have the steel wool level to it? Oh, so,
yeah.
No, say Milo say some of them rough bad as well.
Yeah, then I tell you.
Okay, Munch.
You know you're gonna tell about a lie, like say,
okay, but me never know say you have the steel wood level and thing. Yes, Munch, you're gonna need one of them there, yeah.
Yeah.
And Sonia too. And Sonia too. And Sonia too. Sonia gonna need it too.
No, me don't know about Sonia business, you know, so me not go there.
No, me I tell you, say, no, well, actually, Sonia SDC, you know, so me just go and defend. So.
Yeah, me not.
Yeah.
Me not go there. Now, Sonia. Yeah. Sonia have a mouth for her, me don't even want to touch right now.
You, Sonia, have a mount for now where you don't even want to touch right now. No, Sonia mount sassy, you know, Sonia bantan you and thing like that and whatever. You have to humble yourself when she done with you.
It's very mystic.
And what you say, what?
You do it a specific way where you do it, you know, for this you're under the sheet.
No man, some of them Eastern Caribbean people, man, down here, man, you know, no come back as we say in Jamaica, you know, them have some talk. Yeah. And once you hear Sonia say, all you, you know, anytime she starts and say, all you, you know somebody I get pepper.
The only thing now wrong with Sonia, she use spoon and make dumpling.
Yeah. But remember, so Delmarine do it too from ANC, so she do it too.
Delmarine, because Delmarine can't cook period.
Yeah, she can't cook. Remember, say I own a family company internet. I check come a show about where she cook and I own a family company internet and come tell me, say, no, she the cook it. The food with Del Marina says she cook and she. That's why you can't trust any of them ANC woman there, you know. You cannot trust them. You
Yeah, but me
can't
love
trust
Del
them. What?
Me love her still.
So she just come in there now, like, what wrong with that? Me not busy when nobody wants to. Me not respect nobody has any self-respect in Jamaican if you need flour with spoon.
Yeah.
Or Caribbean, you know, something not right about that.
Well, the one them with the long fingernail do that, you know.
Eh?
The one them with the long fingernail.
No, not long fingernail alone. It's also what we in Jamaica call baffan.
You know why we call her Baffan?
Why you would call Delmarine baffan?
Anybody can ride up the way she ride her Ghana Baffan person.
The way Delmarine ride the ag them.
Yeah.
Will you have a point there, you know, because I mean, I tell us a good it is sit on panda pig there when the pig are run wild, you know, and things so. For people who don't know, Delmarine is from a place called Constitution Hill. And up there, it's like in like the hills of behind Elisa Flats, where they're behind the University of the West Indies. And they have a favorite pastime there when they were growing up, which the kids, you know, they actively engage in what is called hog riding. Hog riding, them ride pig, them ride hog. I don't know, regular pig, I don't know, look a careless lazy pig one and used to say and whatever. For them pig are like the mountain pig, them would look a tusk and whatever and thing like. It's not an easy feat. It's not an easy feat.
Very aggressive.
Yeah, it's very aggressive. Yeah, you have to have a remarkable skill to do that. So Delmarine is a fully accomplished hog rider. And what Dog Bite is saying is that for somebody who's so good at riding hogs, then you can't really say them baffan, you know, because there obviously some physical competence there that, you know, you have to acknowledge. Yes, so.
So I want to ride her in a dog rider.
What you say, what? No, sir. Shots fired. What you say, man? Yeah, man, cause you name Dog Bite, you know. A Dog Bite, you name, you know. So you are the dog, right? You know your name. And you say, since she a hog rider, you'd love to turn her in a dog rider. Oh my days.
Some jump on the Doberman picture.
Yeah, what you say? Delmarine, you know you're a dog boy, just say, oh, you ever come jump on the Doberman pincher. That you ever come do here, Delmarine. Leg of the dog and draw for the dog. Yeah.
Yo, them let go your boy, you know.
Eh?
Them let go your bread, you know.
No, him not get Lego yet.
Yeah, well, the major thing then gone, man. And the rest of thing.
Yeah, no, the big charge where the dog we would have mash him up and thing.
Racketeering.
Yeah, that one they beat that one there and thing.
And the other one.
Yeah, so at most, I'm gonna do like probably like a 2-3 years and thing and touch
Them
him.
said 27 months and him then a prison year and change. No, them just said the judge, the lawyers, them who deal with stuff like that. So, and good behavior and them there for a minute. So, and them deny him bail while ago. So
Yeah,
served.
but him not gonna get the good behavior doing.
Well, time.
Yeah, but
served
time
and
served,
all that.
time served.
So made
time.
one extra another 6 months.
Yeah, probably, yeah, like 6 months, a year and thing. And then.
But to spend life in prison, boy, for the jump up charge them, boy. Me not a Puffy fan still, but as black men, and see how them deal with other people in the system with the court. It kind of.
Well, two things. One, may I agree with you. And that is across the board.
Right.
Black people, particularly black men, get sentenced more severely, like way more severely,
Yeah.
you know, than white men for the same crimes.
And even more aggressive.
Right? For the same crimes. So that's true. That being said, though, I'm not sorry for Puffy.
No, sir.
I feel the same about Puffy or me feel about R. Kelly and whatever and things. So when people come with this race thing and whatever and them something there and them come with this argument, the woman them know them did go in and them did stay night and get the money and all that. People don't understand what I go on. I know I'm a loser for him for. You know, so one time I see some people did an interview Justin Bieber years ago, you know. And Puffy walk up, you know, and did have a man in a jacket and thing, you know. And with just raw arrogance. Him said to Justin, him just come up in that interview, said, Justin, what happened? You find me a call and you not take my call again. How you do? How I go on? Justin. And I said, when him a style up, he look a boy, you know, I said, Justin hold on him head, you know, and the little boy just in fear, you know, man.
Yep.
Justin just in fear and him just, you know, him just in fear and whatever and thing. And that's what I know, say, remember these are things that me deal with, you know, in terms of, you know, the behavior where people display when, so. And I said, so I'm really, you know, do that to the local youth and thing like that and whatever and rare. And then you hear all of the other thing them and whatever. And then also, I'm going to use my word careful, right? And, that man there, there's credible evidence out there that man they do some cool something to some people, some other people. You know?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. They were just on the street there. Remember, same father come from that era there.
Yeah. You see all the be there, in baby mother and whatever. Me never did buy it, you know. And then when you see certain things come out and thing and whatever, me I say, John, you know, so me not put it past the dog slap our way.
No.
You know, me no, you know.
But me want to jump off of the wagon still because you never want girl on it too much. But
yeah.
most of the people are affiliated with them end up good.
Yeah, no, so when I say if you whatever, yeah, people did beat me, you know, when I say I hear me stop play R. Kelly song them. I don't play R. Kelly song them. Ray, and racism and you think them are this and that, and every time a black man this and that and whatever, and I say, yeah, it's unfair, so what? So them for us can do them thing that the people pick me and get up with it and thing and then can just invoke racism and thing and what rape.
Yeah, even if the parents support and involve financial gain, you can't support that none at all. Like most of the parents them involved in some of the things them.
You know, yeah. Oh, yeah, grape, me for say, you know. Yeah, well, I keep forgetting the algorithm, you know. Yeah, grape, you know, and yeah. Probably I that to make them stop send out when we go live. Them not send it out as much, you know, or whatever, you know. So probably I like that too, you know. You know, so boy over here chat. No, because when I time me did attack something what day, you know. Let me tell you when it start. Because usually when we start, as soon as we start, 500-600 people and then it go up to 1,000 and it stop. But you know, from when it stop, what do you may attack? I not say nothing about it, no. I just attack about something, but the algorithm cannot pick up context.
Right.
You know, say something come up in my live and say, may I use hate speech? See, somebody remind me last week, Thursday. Say, yeah, use hate speech, and if you do it again, we're going to shut down the live. And it was a hate speech, you know. I was using the Jamaican term for gay. And I was just, in fact, I was defending them. But it just hear it.
Right.
And the thing come right up. One thing I'm going to tell the people, them say, you know, this thing I said, I just use whatever. And me did I think I want song when I did that play. And then I said, no, what you say and whatever. And from that, like, it stopped throughout my life, them the way it used to do it before. Yeah.
So the thing program away, certain things them now. You can't really expound on certain things the way you want to do.
Yeah, and some people were saying no, somebody must report it and say you have said that about people.
Yeah, because it can't break down. You have to say it go off of words, and when you have the content, it can't decipher what go and this if it go come to that conclusion.
Yeah, and then you know the other world yesterday, people will sit down and go make them report it too. Me used to.
Are you and your brother and your forgot?
Yeah, exactly. Me used to people that do that with me from Jamaica. They come around, you know. People always have problem with me in different ways and things like that. So, but me say from them time there, it not throughout my life like that anymore. And this is just from Thursday, Guyana, you know.
Okay, that means when the thing arises,
Eh?
so once the thing arises, you got to eyeball for you. And most of the people are going to check for your manager and try for
Me used to that. Yeah,
do something.
yeah,
But anyway,
yeah.
we're going to say everything ready up for the 20th.
Nah, man, everything I juggle up, man, and thing like that, man. Tickets are available at VP Records in Queens, at Genesis Restaurant in Queens. Tickets available at, People's Choice Furniture in the Bronx on Boston Road, and also at Recounting Restaurant at, over White Plains side, the same place in the Bronx there, a Recounting Restaurant, well-known restaurant, that at our 118 or 218 White Plains Road and thing. So, and then tickets available also at Just Jerk Restaurant in Mount Vernon.
At the door?
You know, so the door no sell ticket. The door no.
All right, let me know. Well, me flying the same day, I get it.
No, here you go now. If anybody want to buy the ticket directly from me, I'll send it to you.
Okay.
Right?
Let me do the regular
hold on, before we continue, where you eat?
Curry goat. I'm not look for curry goat.
I will cook it.
I'm not look for curry goat. I'm ask my wife for curry goat.
Hold on, then since you asked for the curry goat, you find it in the fridge and at it up already?
What do you mean?
Since me talk to you, you find the curry goat and at up the curry goat.
Look how long me I talk to you. I microwave it, you know.
Eh? Okay. But I never you cook a curry goat though.
Hell no.
Oh, so before me even ask Nakita post and say I know you cook it and things, so I just make you know. So she step up. How that go? What that go? What?
And so that
the TamFam get together, don't?
Yeah, she never did that name that.
She never did name that though. When she did that wallops down the dirt chicken them, where you grill the chicken them, where you grill and thing and thing, when she name and full her belly down.
The 2-pound chicken when me carry.
Yeah. Nakita, the man say. The man say, what day when we have the TamFam get together and then grill the chicken them and thing, you copper claw that down, fling it down in your gut. You never have a problem with it them time, they know. But you come on social media and I show off right now. So why your belly forget? Eh? You have a forgetful belly.
Yeah, blessed diva from DC, me can cook. We come cook for you.
Wait, who that want to go
blessed diva?
Who that?
Blessed diva.
What she do? She abandon you?
No, she has a diva can cook.
Well, but you know, say definitely can cook to long time TamFam. You know, I chat to, right? You know who can cook, right? Who? Ellie can cook. Ellie can cook.
I don't know nothing about cooking.
I just look at Ellie, say Ellie Baffan. You know, one of them look good can cook, woman.
You know, you go do that thing.
Yeah, but I don't know where you may not going there. I don't know what else she good at. Whatever.
Yeah, man, look for her,
as me look at Ellie,
Ellie look at cancer her feature. Them say she good with that thing.
No, I don't know about that. What do the woman them call in and I say when the woman I say no, one woman call in and she go say when she look how a man walk, she can know what size him have. So me go say, what you mean? Anything can go so whatever. You know say almost all of the women them roll out and I say, oh you mean yes, Raga, we can't know. We can't.
Yeah, man, them know.
What you mean them know? Them don't know fat. What you mean?
Woman find that out to me along all. Because I look at my brother them weak. You guys say them back weak. Don't look good. I walk poorly.
You believe them really know? Them
know, man. When them say a big strong man. Well, you know what I'm saying? In a name now, in a liquid case that we are different. Because them big and strong and good all worthless.
No, but bless Diva DC, she said, Raga, he dog bite don't know it's his friend this. You see, it's your friend.
Then I know a woman. Me know a woman.
You know a woman?
She feels that me know me.
You don't know his who. I bill back. No, so when I say, you see what China say, the bow leg them.
Raga, remember say I look from Blessed Diva face right now, you know.
Well, I know, them I talk about bow leg. Listen to me, woman tell me this. First of all, Jamaican woman find bow leg sexy. right? We know that. Jamaican women find bow leg sexy. But woman tell me, say, and I mean bow leg no mean rare. Bow leg no mean must need rare. Woman tell me this.
Well, that's true.
Yeah.
But the woman them have this thing with them call. We call it some tuition or what them want call it. Them
I don't believe the woman them can tell. Like, see a man walk and just know if him have a big strength.
Walking. I remember the woman look for it when the man yarn after the way to know him breast thing.
No, well, that I don't know. Just like how man thinks that them can know certain things and whatever about woman and whatever. I see me think that them think them know. So why some of them, why enough of them, all right, why so, if that is the case, why so many women always, two things, them always do a bag of something for find out, for kind of have some idea what the size for. No, hey, dog bite. You know, it's enough woman when them a date and thing, and if them a feel you like, so them say, yo, you know, some want to run it pan him and thing. Enough of them have for them look away with them kind of test and feel because them no want no surprise or them no want let's see one big elevator tree trunk when them come, man. Enough of them kind of, them have to feel and whatever, so them never know from the walk, right? That's a one. And two, look how much time you hear woman say, no, man, when we're ready for juggle and thing, when me see what him have, that mean them never estimate what him did that before.
When I think of the size, them go off right now. Them after the walk give you the performance, them after that about, and then really the size.
No, it's a size. And that me I tell you, it's a size. When
them go off and
no, when Licious call what day she say, you can tell a man what size him have from how him want. That is what Licious say. And then the woman them run out and say, a true man, we can't tell.
I think of performance. I think of
no, I change it. No, beauty, I am. No, I fix it up now. She probably never did even there. Right? She probably never did even there. Yeah. I like the both shoes never tell lie. People, woman tell me say nothing no go so. Nigeria say fingers will tell.
Woman tell me say she saw a man in a big elevator size 12 foot. And when she said, yeah, good. I went to Papa after the and said the man pull out the little pencil.
Yeah.
He nearly dropped them.
I said, well, I look a willow wisp.
Yeah. And the man a size 12.
Yeah, and he was at 12. No. Yeah.
So that part they make you argue, but the performance I think them did it.
Why look like the cargo tastes good though, man, because you're down to a plate, you know, a scrapey plate, no?
Yeah. You know the cargo is an oxtail when you cook like a day after, boy. Oh, no, man.
No, man, Sunday, Monday, and overnight food, best, man. Sunday, Monday, and overnight food, like a lot of food. Well, I'm going to go say something, but we have to go qualify. No, man, I'm going to say like, most things where you eat, man, taste better overnight, but then you have to stop, you know? I know everything. Kind of like back it up. Ratchet it back a bit. We don't want to go there, okay? So what you say, you ready for Reggae by September 20th?
Yeah, man, in I place.
Everything, man, I fly up.
Come in about midday, me I come in Saturday.
See.
Pick up a little ride and then go in a hotel, kick back, freshen up.
All right.
Head straight. So, I mean, not check nobody and then just have a boom and come straight.
All right. I'm going to need you to help me to give out some of them roses there, yeah?
No problem.
We're going to give out roses, you know, to the ladies.
I mean, never come a little bit earlier then.
At the party?
Yeah, what time you give out the roses then?
I don't know. We just give when we feel the energy and thing and whatever. Well, we know some Munchie I go run go because she want one, she need one. So at some point, we made us call her up and get.
How are you DJ them again? Chris Cross and Glamour Wayne are there?
Glamour Wayne are there.
Okay, good.
DJ Raya are there. Chris Cross are there. And you know, a bunch of other selectors are roll through. So you don't know, grown and sexy music and thing and whatever. What?
Your boy check the same one coming, you know.
Who?
I mean, Naval.
Oh, you mean the general for forward, man? See,
In
Jimmy
Japan,
Q, Jimmy Q, a DJ too, you know. So
Okay.
you see, Christina, I put out this, cause you know, say them compromise Jimmy Q, you know, them, you know, from the TamFam Sports Day, man, them bribe him and all them thing. The blues are for him, they say, you know, yeah, man, them not give him money and pretty smile.
Well,
man.
I'm next time I come Tampa Post there, man. I just drop me that do that delivery in a Tampa.
Oh.
I mean, I tighten up some new straps and I put by the trailer.
Zane.
Slip on, twist. I couldn't beat another race then. The race where you win when you pull up. You couldn't beat me in another race then.
No, dog bite, no. Dog bite, come on, take back your time, man. Nobody pass your place. Dog bite, have some manners and respect. Man.
Yo, the people I'm saying at the gym the week before when I put the thing them out there, you know. Boy, buff and boy, I go on with things, you know.
What? The people?
Boy lose 26 and a quarter pound, you know.
Who you lose 26 and a quarter pound?
Yeah.
What that have to do with the fact that if me and you race and thing and whatever, you're dead.
That not increase me.
You're dead.
You don't know about training.
You're dead.
Know about training.
You're
I
dead.
prepare myself.
You're dead.
I mean dead.
Me nowhere near as fast as UCN, but if me and you race, the way you move that look and whatever, you'd swear me related to the UCN, the way you your head get massive. And dog bite, before we even continue, apologize to me.
Apologize to who?
Apologize to me, man. Apologize to me, man, for the disrespect. Apologize to me for the manners when you have a pass your place a while. I pass your place a while ago with me. Apologize to me, man. Apologize to me when you finish. And at the end of the apology, say, sir.
Raga, me used to play good. Me used to play soccer, man. You never used to do nothing but move, man. You know.
What?
You never used.
Nah. You know, so me go to Calabar track team. I never make it.
Track team.
Calabar track team. I never make it.
Team. Frack. It's track.
You know, so me go for Calabar track team in my school shoes. That time the coach was a legendary Herr McKinley, man. Right? And Mr. McKinley comes and said, son, I saw you running in your school shoes, you know. So you don't have a more appropriate pair of shoes.
You never have that crap.
No, me never have that day there, man. Me just decide to want to go run for Calabar. You understand? So, but me never have no extra thing for we. I be a school shoes because the shoes and when me did I wear go school and when my grand-aunt Tensi from England sent come give me the plastic black boot them.
Jesus Christ.
What you can't wear in a sun. And them did I work with. You understand? Then I know say boy go out there and run and whatever, you know. You know say I come dead last.
Then I must.
Well, I know. Remember, so me, I run with, because, them have this thing at Jamaica, and them say them buy athlete. But them not literally buy them. Them just, them bring them. Yeah. You know that whole thing there at school and whatever. So, at them people, you have one named Essen, one named Black Jesus. You have one.
That's before Daniel England. Black Jesus are from back in the days.
Then a long time, man, with me. I tell you, you see when them say on your mark, get set. Why me think that the man them jump when they say I'm gone, when they say get set, Because, when me kind of look to my side,
Oh, you still looking at black?
No, man, no, but them really say good, them never leave till go, but then get up so quick. Now, you see when the man then get up, I swear to God, you may think me I say this like for emphasis. But, you're familiar with Calabar and Jamaica and whatever, the way they feel them dry. They feel them dry, right? You see them bossy feel with them school picnic up here with them whole heap of grass.
No.
And that we have where we in our school them down at Jamaica, right? We don't have them pretty grass there with them around and whatever. We have this dry, what we call the field, it dry. So, and what I'm about to say, I'm not saying it for emphasis or whatever. I swear to you, this literally happened. So them say, on your mark, right? And them say, get set. No, you see, friend, them say, get set. Now me understand what did I go on, but at the time, I never understand. Because when we say get set, me come straight up, but get set, you lean forward.
Lean forward, yeah.
Your weight going forward. So I realize, so when them say get and then them lean forward, me I say everybody a lean, so me I say when them a lean over so far.
You know what you know? You get up and then your dry face already.
No, well, I look so I say, me I said, then I would have never lean over so far. I drop them, I go
Push
drop.
off.
No, come here, I said, then I drop them, I go drop her. So, and then when I realize, say, me alone, like, kind of straighten up and thing or whatever. Then the other thing when I notice, you know, am my head alone up?
Because you know your dry face already.
No,
You know, push off.
because boy, I don't know nothing about technique for run and whatever.
You didn't
'Cause you
have
know
no
when it,
formal training.
no formal training, because you know when you have the 100 meter, your head off it down, you know,
Down, yeah.
and you start run, and
And
then
you stay
slow,
down there for a
and you
minute before you
slowly,
get there,
yeah,
dry
and
face.
go in and you strike. But me, I see the whole of them head down, so you deal it to myself, so then them now look where them are go. Yo, dog bite. You see when the man say go, dog bite, me jump to, you know. Dog, I swear to God, me jump when he say go, you know. But me don't know when me jump in, I be a dust man. Me say, I be a dust in a thing what time here to come and team. I say, I be a dust, you know. So me just stop me. I say, me in my church shoes, my school shoes, you know. And me just go so and I run, come on, I runner. And me just go so and I run through the dust, you know. I run through the dust, you know. So you don't know what I say. When me reach down now and thing or whatever, and me go look back. So when me look back, the one them down and them start dead with laugh. Though, like, where I look back. Like, him really bright enough. I look back, he really thinks everybody the back of him and things like that, whatever. But it's just like an instinctive thing. And then remember one slim brother in a full sweatsuit, him come home and I say, when you run, you know, if you try and stay in the lane here, stay in the well, guys, he might say,
all over the place.
you know, like he might say, there's a basic thing here. Stay in your lane, at least, you know. You come dead last, just come dead last in your lane. All right?
A good thing, but a good thing, you never quick enough you up there with them, because you lick down some of them on them.
No, hear me now, no. They never see the whole heap of dust go on and what. Then laugh so till. But yeah, what is funny though, you know, when me a race at my yard down a south, you know, me a win race, you know.
So that's how you feel, I run.
Then that's why me feel so me a runner, man, and I that beat people, man. When them go them church and thing and them sing one song and them granny tell us, girl, you sound good, you know, and then things say them a big singer, them a Celine Dion.
But let me ask you a question. You used to get color all age?
Yeah.
The old, you know, for run and Raymond Stewart and them and them used to do the Raymond Stewart ends that, you know, and Keith Steele and all of them man.
Raymond Stewart used to go Calabar all age.
Yes, man Steele.
Fast Raymond Stewart too, they go camper down, used to go Calabar.
Yeah, go camper down.
Okay, me never know. No, man,
Yeah,
when me I go Calabar, man, he did have some fast runner. He did have a youth named Brian who unfortunately, you know, committed suicide. Man go hang himself. And then the fastest runner though was a youth named Danny Palmer, Dexter Walters, you know, people call him Teacher Laws and thing and whatever. Man, they did fast like war.
You know, you tell me your age now.
Yeah, no, Raga, no young boy. No, but when me used to... Probably, yeah.
No, man, you're older than you.
When me did a race, man, from Breadley and Percy Street at West, man, no guy beat me. Them used to call me Rocking Head Small after one fast youth from KC. You see, son, I like me, I tell.
And him used to run out of alien them for some time.
Him used probably because him did a Rocky Head, though. Whatever. No, man, me did fast. I chew me fast at me yard now. And I done race or whatever. Me nah go, but me I run against professional runner and I be a dust would have kill me to rotted.
Hey, somebody in the thing put up on Crep. The other young people I'm gonna know one name Crep. Tell them one name Crep.
Crepe is like sneakers, but it's not a sneakers. Crepe is more, no, it's not loafer.
Crep out a cloth, like make out a cloth. cloth.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
really strong cloth, you'd have
Yeah,
say,
yeah.
yeah, right, yeah.
Stronger than
Yeah,
crocus back.
yeah, it's a farmer sneaker. Look at it like a very cheap. Crepe is like, what African Americans Converse.
Converse,
Yeah, crepe is like Converse.
yeah. And
Like
Converse expensive, you know.
yeah, what you call Converse here, that you know,
call
in
it
our
crepe.
time we used to call it crepe. And I'm very much aware that crepe is actually something to eat otherwise, but in this case, no. Right? And that we call crepe. And those were the cheapest shoes you wear till all one time you wear them till all your toe make hole in it and them
Because
say,
them last long, you know.
yeah, and them say your
And I
shoe.
like the ballet them when tear up quick.
Nah, yeah. But no people that wear bust up crepe go school, you know, and them car.
Yeah,
Them
yeah.
say your shoes
The
are
crepe
big
bust
bread.
up your habit for a minute.
Yeah, them say your shoes are big bread.
Big bread, yeah.
Yeah. Them days, but we have to give thanks and see what they enjoy life, same way, don't.
I tell them, man.
Before you go, you hear about the man we kill him baby mother Upper Bronx?
No. When that happened?
Must see yesterday. You know hear about it? Me not get the fullness of it yet and whatever, but it
I saw the picture and get the details.
oh, unalive. Jesus, me keep on, I forget the word.
Unalive,
them,
yeah,
say
unalive, yeah.
Yeah, the brother was unalive and beat me mother up the man and whatever.
A Jamaican?
Yeah. So all me I hear it all the people them call and I tell me is that the two of them now walk straight, see? And something like she must have said, boy, she had married somebody for work on her thing and whatever. And supposedly him must get jealous, but me don't know. And one thing, me say the man use a sharp thing and me I try to figure out what use a sharp thing and ray. I'll, you know, sitting on the out her belly, man. Something on the cut out her belly, you know.
Lord.
And yeah, man, and whatever, because of jealousy and whatever. You see me I tell you about with them man and them something, yeah, man, and just analyze the woman them left, right, and say, somebody say a Saturday night it happened.
Okay.
Saturday night it happened, man. Everybody I talk about it, but to me I move. I tell them man, them man, boy, all the woman know she go lose, you know.
Why that?
Yes, I.
You have kid?
Yeah?
You have kid?
2. But I heard 3, but somebody just put 2 years at
have 2
2.
kids.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Somebody said Jamaican, both Jamaican at 232nd in the Bronx, 232nd Street in Bronx or whatever.
Right.
But when I say, man, them thing where the woman them a go through and them something and whatever, man. Them thing that us, you know, this woman here is a trying woman from when me I hear and just want better for her picnic them and thing like that, you know. Them see, I say 2 kids, ages 2 and well, me I say different ages, this sort of thing and whatever.
2 and 8. Some say 11 and 2.
Yeah. Oh yeah, man, and she used to work for the Glean and she used to work in media and some different thing and whatever.
Oh, that's somebody with some popularity.
No man, yes, a lot of people know her. That's the other thing too. A lot of people know her, and apparently she was a very nice person from what people are saying, you know. Yeah. This is where Sean Portia said, me not tell a man me and leave him. So it's like, you know, when you're in a lion mouth, you have to take time. Nowadays you can't.
Do your thing.
Yeah, but for a long time, woman know for do them something they do a base pan, you know. Yeah. It's crazy, man. And if I really saw it go, you know, you may talk on a think a joke, you know, whatever, you know. It's a man if you can't take bun, man.
Of course.
If you get a bun, laugh it off, find a way to laugh it off. I say, Ray. Worse if you know say you would go on with something to say, well, you know, yeah, you know, that do our thing and what, you know.
Listen, Raga, me a brethren who come to me and say, boy, them personal, whatever, bun them and me look on the man and me say, because me know this man. I mean,
Yeah.
know how him flex and how him go with. I'm a big man. You have to take that one. I must say, no, come on, man. Remember, say, you do so all the time. So you
Yeah.
have to hold that one. You
Yeah.
understand? And I want to tell you now, I hear that, and them come full circle, and them depend on good vibes and things around whatever. You understand me?
See it
So
there.
if you go get mad and them go beat and mash up him thing, them have to go start over, them have to lose half of this, half of that, and because you do it, if you get it, just hold it.
John, no, but
It's
just,
tough,
I feel it
but
fair,
you have to
man.
just hold it.
Man, them nah move right, man. Yeah.
Yeah, but anyway, we have a run.
Yeah, man,
And
Anglia business,
we have a
yes.
nice place. Very nice place. We have a 60th birthday party in the next 3 weeks, not July. So give a small shout out to me in our house.
Yeah, you don't know Monday and thing. Just show
All
it me
right,
when you're
respect it.
forward, all right? Mm-hmm. It's sad because when they want to leave, they tell you even right after on a done sad. When man want to leave, though. I don't know. I just, them. And them man, them nah move right, man. Them need to balance up them thing, man, and behave themselves, man. If you get rough up, you just work, find a way to build back from it and not go cause. Hello? Bless Diva.
Yeah?
Wagwan.
Watch out. I never know something up in the box.
Yeah.
How are you?
Yeah, you open at the box.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I just finished cooking curry shrimp and white rice.
You lying, man.
Me not lie.
You get curry shrimp and white rice. You just steam the rice?
Yeah.
All right. And how you cook your shrimp?
I use bell peppers, onions,
Black. What? No. Did you just say black peppers?
bell peppers.
Bell peppers. Okay.
Yeah.
Bell peppers, onions, and what else?
And scallion. I put scallion in there.
Scallion.
Black pepper.
Black pepper.
And a curry.
And curry. So you use bell pepper. Doesn't matter which one of bell pepper you use, if I the green, the red,
I
or the
don't use
yellow?
the red one. I only use the green ones.
You only use a green one. So you use a green bell pepper. You use black pepper, onion, and curry.
The curry. Yeah. And the seasoning, a little Jamaican seasoning.
What kind of Jamaican? You mean all purpose?
Yeah.
Look at powder seasoning.
Yeah.
Okay, you know I use no garlic.
Yes.
So you never tell me say you use garlic.
Push.
What you mean, Osh? Mine, you just tell me no, say you use garlic when you
No,
never
I
use
did.
garlic,
Because I didn't see no powder garlic. I'm not even home. I'm at my sister's.
Okay, when you put in the garlic?
You put the onions, everything.
You mean everything with the shrimp and the onion and everything one time?
No, you don't put the shrimp. You put shrimp last.
Oh, okay, I think I could have catch you right this way,
No, so girl can't cook. You're crazy.
So you do that little something with Jamaican, do you fry up your seasoning
You
a little
burn
bit,
the
right?
curry.
Yeah, okay, all right. Oh, you burn the curry, right?
A little bit, yes.
And you burn the curry a little bit, auntie. I'm not a, me can boil dumpling, season of stuff. But me can't cook.
Yeah, cook.
Me can't cook. Me can't cook, all right?
We
But
know this.
what you mean we know this? What you know about me? You might just up your argue. Just up your argue.
They are down from your Florida. You must forget.
No.
Samantha.
All right, which one? Why Derek having going with that team of murder for Samantha, right? Why that guy that leading and a go on? See Derek love look money him soon start telling us enough to pay him for using that. But him come out with that already and say more royalties to the people that want use him talk though. Derek ever. No, Rosemary, me can't cook. You have a problem with it, make him own it. Right? At least I'm not like Munchie, who go around and tell people them can't cook and then can't cook. Me own it.
Make a dumpling and mackerel.
No, me can't make dumpling and bully beef and them sitting there. And and me can fry chicken now. Don't ask if I cook stewed peas or oxtail or them something them,
Exactly.
But the other thing though, hold on, the other thing though, I am unquestionably the best book cooker there is.
Are you that?
Yes, man.
All right.
Yes, man.
Win.
If you give me the recipe in a book and whatever and give me the directions, if it's spoiled, you never write it good.
Okay.
Because I can follow it to a T. One thing with me, I can follow instruction and whatever, you know?
That means to say we can send you go bake.
Go what?
Go bake black cake.
I don't know about that. I've never, you know what I mean? Well,
Me can bake
I never
black
bake a cake yet.
No, I'm not a baker.
No, I never bake a cake yet. The only thing, you don't call that bake if you put salmon in the oven. I don't bake that. Eh?
No.
No, that's not bake.
Embroidered.
No, but you know, I grew up, anything you put in the oven, I bake it, but you know,
Right.
you know. And no, man, I can season up chicken and put that. Hey, that's a easy cooking right there, so you know.
Of course.
Yes, man. When me in a college, man, you season up your wings, them and thing, and just put them in the oven and sit down and wait and take them, and it tastes. What more you want, right? This. But me and a big cook of them way there, you know. Yes, where me I say, so well, I don't know. This thing I was Jamaican do, where you burn the curry. But some people don't burn the curry, them just curry the meat.
Yeah.
Which one better?
It doesn't matter. Me just burn it a little bit before I put it in my stuff.
The burners, they say when you burn it a little bit, it gives the curry a different flavor. Is that true?
Yeah.
Oh.
Because I only use Better Pack.
You only use what?
Better Pack.
Listen, don't start the curry war, right? Don't start. No, when I was growing up, I thought curry was just curry. You want to go around Indian people and hear when them argue about curry.
That's true.
Mirati or whatever, man, because
roti.
no, man, when you hear them argue about curry, you know, which curry better and whatever, and then make them own curry, you know, them it's a thing in India. You know, you see like how people just go buy curry. A lot of them just it's a thing to make your own curry, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, the variety of curry out there, man, a serious thing for them, man. Them not play with that something there, you know.
That is true.
Okay.
I heard her.
So what on, you know? So the food, the shrimp tastes good?
Yeah.
All right, may I come for some, yeah?
Forward.
All right, now worry yourself. See if look like big left for me, yeah?
All right.
All right, boo. Blessings, man. Cool.
Cool.
Yeah, man. Jano. Yo, people, big up on this. Boy, I tell you, look at thing they want me to do, man. And boy, I tell you, let me just hear them something. I just ask, why? Dog bite say you can't cook. Dog bite a bantan him say you can't cook. Dance, I'm 63, I have my own restaurant. I never burn curry. Jesus, what a chore. What a chore. Bless. You know, sit down a chore word pan you. She tell Sham, she 63, she have her own restaurant and she never one day yet burn curry. You know, she a chore word pan you. A bantan down a bantan, you know. Yeah, you know, sit down neatly, I burn out the curry burner. Yeah. Down neatly, I burn out the curry burner, them, you know, down at the pan or something there, you know. Sonia says she can't cook, but she can bake. You can't cook, but you can bake. Something about that sounds suspicious, you know. Something about that sounds suspicious. Yeah. Something about... No, what your sexy son said, no burning curry round here. Straight season up and cook it. Naki B say you don't have to burn it, but it tastes better when it burns. Why these people who... You see how she come in, you the things that she know she talk about. People, let me tell you, there's some names in the chat, them can't cook. Antasha, she can't do look a curry good. Antasha, if you say Antasha, she can't cook. Only curry good she can't cook. Naki B, the one named Naki B, she can't cook. right? Christina Brown Sugar, that one there, right? We call her CBS, get it? Christina Brown Sugar, CBS. She can cook. Munchie cannot cook. Del Marine can't cook. So you see them 5 names anytime you see them in a chat, just know them can't cook. And Tasha, she only can cook curry goat. And is her husband teach her how to do it. And then Naki B can't cook. Munchie can't cook. Del Marine cannot cook. Christina Brown Sugar can't cook. The whole of them baffan. The whole of them baffan. The whole of them baffan. When them go in a kitchen, the pots and the pans them and them thing, them whatever, them just beg God guidance and think of them know them are going to go through it and think. Anytime them woman they go in a kitchen, the pots and the pans them start pray to God and a beg God guidance and thing and whatever, because them know so them are going to go through it right I know with them, you know? Yeah. I have one next one too. She named Java. She can't cook neither. Hello. Hello.
Good evening, Raga.
Good evening to you too.
Well, kind of little shy, but my other story from Mixup or a story.
Yeah.
But of my story.
Yeah, just turn on the volume on your phone a little bit, yeah?
You can hear me?
No, weird. Just turn on the volume on your phone a little bit.
I did.
Yeah, okay, good. Okay, go on. Mm-hmm.
So, when I was a teenager, but kind of was rebellious and promiscuous. So, I had a neighbor who used to come and play domino at the shop. So me used to hear so my sister and them used to talk.
Right.
But
The neighbor,
not a fair class.
the neighbor and your sister used to talk?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, but did have a sperm donor.
You did have a
But
what?
I lived with at the time.
Oh, okay.
My father.
Yeah, okay.
But I never know him or raised by him.
Yeah.
So, but then I borrowed 2,800 from me at the time. But it mean, so one day now, me from me go to school, and I go to school, and sneaking at the neighbor yard. Mr. Raga, the neighbor deal with me now. When him done, I couldn't walk.
Hold on, him put it on your good door.
Yes.
Hold on. What you did secretly like the neighbor?
No, it was a thing where my life did just drastically change to things that I'm not used to. Like coming from my own room, own bathroom, and stuff like that. So I look a board house, I sleep with 4 people on bed. And you know.
Oh.
So but it just won't leave. But everybody for me, they are foreign.
No, but how that connect with you, like half a neighbor?
Because it have money and him have places. So me know as if me to get pregnant, him could have take me away.
So any of me have a baby for that man, answer all of my prayers right now, and think about it. When you're young and you come up with these things in your mind and think. Anyway, yeah. So when you go over there now, him didn't know say you like him or anything like that?
Yeah, Raga did not look me, but through in the community, everybody know everybody business.
Yeah.
So people that say, my sister talk. But when me asked him, he must say no. But my sister knows she going to the church, so she free for do what she want, because my father not appreciate.
Oh, okay.
So I'm gonna ask she.
So hold on, the day when you go over there to the neighbor, him didn't know say you're forward on did plan it?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so you go over there and shellings, and put it on, When they say when him done with it, you couldn't walk, no?
I couldn't walk,
Papa Jesus,
So anyway, when I find out say him and my sister really attack, I
What?
tell him some done.
So hold on, him and your sister did that really attack for you?
Yes, Raga, but up until this day, to the day,
Yeah.
them still are denied. But I can tell them, I get to home, I know my sister didn't know, did not
Yeah,
talk to me.
yeah.
So anyway, me used to get up early and go outside, go wash up a plate. But me never know so the neighbor up at the hill and watch me. So I got on there one morning and we never do nothing. But me used to go down there for talk to him before I go to school. Sorry. So when I stand up at the door now, and I say, all right, I don't tell him, so we're done, and I step outside. I say, one slippers at the door. But me, I said to myself, when I come in and the slippers never there. So my slippers look familiar.
Yeah.
So me I step down, as I put my foot one step down this one step,
Yeah.
me hear somebody say, oh, I pick you up. So when I look up, now my stepmother, Mr. Raga,
Where your stepmother did that? She did outside?
yes,
So what she tell her to pick up? What she tell her to pick up?
his slippers, and bring it come, cause fear slippers Raga.
So your stepmother slippers reach out there, sir?
The woman pan the hill, did I tell her? So me I go down there morning time, but nobody may not say nothing to me.
Right.
So the morning there she must have said to me now and follow me. And she wait till me done, but me never done there for long.
Oh, it was a
So
quickie.
she
It
has
was a
said she get
quickie.
confirmation.
It was a quickie.
No, but that's talk to me and I tell so me done.
Okay.
So anyway, I said, probably should not call my father yet. But you woman know my father love money. He not gonna stop run taxi if he come be, you know. So
Right.
Mr. Raga, by the time I reach in the yard, all me here is one car come up the hill. Raga, I say, flies, never see car come up the hill. And my father come out. I say, my father beat me, I say, Raga, I say, all the man a lick me not one lick catch me Raga, but me a ball.
What?
Me a scream, but not one lick a catch me.
But wait, how old were you then?
The only thing I could have say out of my mouth was, him say, come out of my yard. Me no want you. Yeah, come out of my yard. Me say, me come out when they give me my $280. Respect. My $2,800,
The
sorry.
$2,800.
Mr. Raga, other than them, man tap like me.
But how old were you
The
then?
man say, yeah,
How,
come
wait,
out
now,
today.
well, how old were you? How old were you then? Nah.
About to turn 16.
About to turn 16. Okay, all right then.
Yeah. Mr. Raga.
Yeah.
Now, only you know say my sister name there now.
Yeah.
My sister never did when I get the lick.
Yeah.
But by the time she come home from school, she here by the time she reach out at the taxi stand.
Yeah.
Because I saw them neighbor they stay.
Yeah.
Mama.
So, yeah.
Raga, we have one train line beside of the yard. When my sister here and my sister come home, she not talk to me, Raga. My sister walk up and down the train line with her hand pan her head, Raga. And she come to me and she say, Truth, you really doing so and so? And when I see it in her face, I saw me know for truth say, my sister in the time. But
And
up
all
till
this
this
time,
day,
all this time she did that deny it though. And then when she hear her head, I take her.
yeah. Yes.
Yeah,
And up till the him,
them
many of
still,
my friends still, but in still the night.
they still deny it, say them did that do so though.
Yeah.
Is it possible say them did that but never do it? Is that possible?
No, man, like that. Let me tell you about that the community there.
Yeah.
Them know your business more than you know it in a
Me hate them, man. Me hate them. No, me know them.
And
So.
then my stepmother choose to have shop
Oh Lord.
and then come in there when they want trust. Then start tell us, I will not go say no rather.
No man.
Yeah,
The
man,
community
I
them always know the shop family business. They make it them point at duty if you know the shop family. The family who own the shop, they make it them point at anybody can do with church, or if you're a teacher, or your own shop, like everybody know for them business. whoever have the biggest house in the community, everybody know that family their business.
Yeah, I mean, I used to that reggae. I'm used to live in a quiet community. We
Yeah.
go outside and we play with the kids and stuff like that. We take trips. But
No, man. You have some community, man. People making them point of duty if you know everybody else business, man. You understand? Be things, you know? But, you know, if I me and him, though, me I deny it. I'll know me I deny it when you ask me, you know.
yeah, man, in good night to the team,
Oh,
man.
you mean, hold it denied right down. No, we never do nothing. 'Cause in my mind, me now only look out for myself. Me I protect she too. You understand? So me I deny it.
Yeah.
No, she never do nothing. She never do nothing. Lie them I tell. All right, big up yourself, you know, and bless up your little one, you know, lively on the door.
Yeah, man, should not give me a break, Roger. Roger.
What ya? You start calling me Roger too?
Yeah, but the fun man every evening. My bad.
No, you know, the woman what they be a Roger, she give me
Yes,
be a Roger.
Roger should call her.
No, me just work with it and just hold my Roger and do it.
Yeah, but that's my story.
All right, man, blessing.
All right,
Thanks for
let's-
that one there. Yeah, man, cool. Boy, them child, me see somebody, you know, childhood hookings and childhood dugu. And be a thing you say go and look a bit, you know. And you know what is interesting? I'm always intrigued with adults who just lose their minds. Lose their mind when them find out say them teenagers are do so and so and so. And for a lot of those adults, you know, if you make them, you know, if you kind of push them and make them reveal where them used to go on with, them used to go on with things to back in ideas to when them a teenager. Mark, you know, some know because Jamaica is a very religious country. Well, back then, even more so. And this tie the heifer, loose the bull mentality. Boy picnic is boy picnic, man. Way. But the girl, then you must keep them in, you know, because girl will go get pregnant and breed and all them something there, whatever, you know. But that was very strong. So a lot of religious households, they were very skilled at as much as possible protecting their daughters. So a lot of girls grew up in strict household and them never do nothing for true. But a lot more I than do it, man. Hello?
Raga.
Yeah. You have something
How time
on.
show done?
You have something on where I loop my voice, yeah?
I think I show finish off alive.
I don't know, it's not finished on special time. But
Yeah.
it be done 9 o'clock. You have something to play
I can't hear up so long time I listen to show, you know.
Voila, you know, hear what I say, you know. When me talk, you have something to play the show. Hello? Hello? Big man. People want to call, make sure there's something else now that they play the show and thing, all right? Make sure it's nothing now loop my voice and thing or whatever, all right? Yes, I say back in the day, I be hide and do it, we used to go out with enough thing, all them people in their country, Jesus at them say go a bush. The country people them say go a bush. We in a town a house back. Yeah, and by the fence and through the grill. Hello? 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 Hello?
Yo, Raga.
Yeah.
No, man, take me off here, boss. We never know what's in forward, man.
I want to say a word, man. Balance. All right, cool.
All right, manners and respect, man.
It goes some, man. Yo, let me tell you something, man. You see, all one time, it's when girl pitney go for bad, though, you can't tap them, though, you know. You can't tap girl pitney from bad, man. right? I have read of situation where all family lock up girl in a them place, you know, man. And whatever, I say, and that just come up on the veranda and press it back on the grill, you know, right? Because the grill lock, you know. And press it back on the grill, man. And the boy outside, I wonder who that boy was, right? And the boy outside and whoa, chew the grill. Listen to me, man. I'm to them. Hey, when girl picnic go for bad and whatever, let me tell you all a style you know. I show you how the thing dangerous. You know how the bathroom window them always smaller? No, right? Yeah. You want to go up on that here and hold the little side in them house and press it up on the little bath, the grill part, you know? Open the bathroom window and press it up on the grill. And boy outside I hold the wood under the ceiling, because I saw it didn't make so you could have hold the wood. And draw up, gets a bathroom window, way up the sun thing. No man, when shellings have to go on, you think you can't tap picnic from shell? Yeah, them days there. If it happen, it go happen, and can't stop it. Hello. Hello. All right, people.
Raga, what going, Raga?
Yeah, man, what go on? Yeah.
Tell me now, how things?
Me there I give thanks, you know, yeah, say.
Bless up yourself, you know, my daddy.
You see it.
Don't know, one heart, one destiny,
Long
one
time.
love, you know, man.
Man.
Remember, I say heart love, you know, no water love, you know.
You
There's no
see it.
paper love, you know.
You see it.
That is it.
You see it. Well, I go down differently.
You know, so we just go and put it and listen to you.
Okay, cool. So you just give a quick yell.
That is it.
It goes some man saying, where they are you yell
Heart
from?
love.
Where they are you yell from?
You know, so we hear from out of Jamaica still.
Yeah, which part of Jamaica?
You know, so Mobile.
Mobile, all right. I be your thing there, all right. Big up yourself, you know, my G.
Blessings, man.
It
All
goes
right.
some man, all right. Enough respect, man. Cool.
Yes, that is it.
Yeah, man, big up all of my Mobile people, you know, boy, for no support when me there Jamaica, you know, it just like, yo, one time I keep showing Mobile and it never go on with nothing, and I told me go at the first show I keep a Mobile, I go keep it over. After you pass Butch Stewart Hotel and go down on one beach down there or whatever. And nobody never come ashore. And when I come back, the people, and I say, Raga, what you do? We not go over there, so. Like my people, let me know. Them say, we not go over there, so. Raga, we not really go over there, so, you know, Pier 1 we go. We are going to show, and it's sure we are going to Pier 1, we go, or Aquasol, or what, you know, them have them place, but them must say, like your thing, no, Pier 1. Tropical Beach, it's CM1. The first show me keep over there. Nobody no come. And them I tell me, say, no, Raga, be uptown people keep things over there, so feed them thing that over there, so man. Them say, when you are keep things for we, come up Pier 1. And as some start keep show up Pier 1, and then after that, every show ram. Every show me keep a Pier 1 ram. Because the people, them say, Raga, you know, them time them show turn over Jamaica, you know, man. And every show, all of my Mixup and Blenda show them legendary a Pier 1, man. Ram, and them nice. So I love Mobile people, that me I tell you. All right, big up Mobile people, yeah. All right, give us some Mixup in idea, yeah. Give us some Mixup. Workplace Mixup or any other Mixup on the app. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
So you were just talking about when gal picnic bad,
Yeah.
then just bad.
Yeah.
So I can't get into it.
Yes, you can.
But all I can
Yes, you
tell
can.
you-
Yes, you
I-
can.
all I
Yes,
can
you
tell
can.
you-
Yes, you
No,
can.
King.
I'm sound like Barack Obama now. Yes, you can. Yes, you can.
All
Yeah.
I can tell you is
Yeah.
I had a boyfriend.
Yeah.
My mom don't want me to be with him.
Yeah.
She left, locked all the grills. We live in Kingston in a 2-story house.
Yeah.
Her bathroom window, you can climb through it because that one
No
is
have
not
no grill. No have no grill.
No.
But the bathroom they on the second floor or the first floor.
Yes, the second floor. over the garage.
Over the garage.
So he climb on the grill for the garage, climb up, and I saw him come in the room. Girl get sad.
So
I saw him go home.
him climb on the grill, go up on the garage, so that then climb up and come through the window, the little window at the bathroom, though.
Yes.
And then
one day, because he always do it.
Yeah, so on the bin I do it. On the bin I do it. All right.
Yes. So she come. So we never hear him because she come in the yard.
Yeah.
All we hear on the grill downstairs. And then we never remember, so we left the window door open.
Yeah.
So when she come upstairs now, he jump through the window. I don't know how she didn't see him, because she pushed her head through the window and look. But for some reason, somewhere, he was holding on to something, and she never see him.
Oh,
I
so
just said, we can't do
hold
that.
Hold on. Him jump through the window, and but then she looked through the window right away. I look for him, though, but she never see him.
Yes. Because there's when you climb up on the garage, there's a little small ledge that you can climb into the window.
Right.
So I guess because that's on the dark, him lie down, funny, whatever him do. But when she do, she never look down. She just push her head through it.
And look if she see any movements.
Yes, and she not see nothing.
Yeah. Them time they are trembling.
Listen.
Wait, about...
My baby at 6, everybody there foreign, and me alone. And she said, me the baddest one. I mean, I'm the baby. I'm going to do what I want to do.
Okay. But... How old were you then?
16 going 17.
16 going 17. Yeah, man. Around that age, man. Yeah.
Listen.
Yeah.
The amount of story, we can't tell her how much time she come in at the house.
Yeah.
And one time in there underneath the bed. Jesus. When me tell her something, I sweat.
One time him did under the bed, though.
Yes. She come in and we hear the grill are open.
Yeah.
That's why I never live a bag walk at a time, not Linstead.
Right.
Before we move. So I come home from school, him follow me come home. So when he follow me come home, we there we say, because she used to sell a market. So I say she not come home no time soon.
Right.
So we good.
Yeah.
Next thing me don't know what happened. All we know, we hear the grill up. Because for some reason, we don't know how comes we never hear the carrier coming out of the house.
Okay.
Coming out of the yard, I mean.
Right.
But we hear the grill up pull.
Right.
All me know me do, him run underneath the bed. And me don't know how me put on clothes so fast, I run go downstairs.
See it there.
We gonna tell her, I said, so what happened? Everything all right?
Yeah.
And she asked me, what make you come see me? You never ever come meet me. Listen,
that giveaway. Yeah.
Listen, all me have to do, I try to move her somewhere, and then she go in our other room.
Yeah.
And all me know say run out the door.
Yeah.
Just in her pants, and me try and close them through the door, through the window.
A real soldier, that man. I see General know the road code, man.
He did, because we end up married. I end up bringing him to the States. We no longer together, but that was my high school sweetheart. No matter what my mama did, he wasn't gonna stop it. But hey, when you want to, when you reach them age,
yeah, man.
It just is what it is.
You know, it's funny, I was telling, talking to some parents, I tell them something, I tell them what to do, but based on what them say, it start already, right? Like, look at something start, and they're thinking, like, them instinctively, I do the strict thing, they put on your foot thing and whatever, and I tell them, I say, listen, you probably need to just talk to them and say, listen, I prefer if you don't do it, but if you're going to do it, this is what you need to do or whatever, because once you start at that age, man, or whatever, when king catch a fire at that age, it's almost unstoppable,
It is, because especially when I ask my mother,
yeah.
So I go to her one day, and I say, we need to talk, because my older sister get pregnant at 16. So we say we need to talk.
Yeah.
Everybody say we need to talk.
Yeah.
You know what the woman tell me, say? If you ever go fuck and breed, Me chop off your head in the house and like foul.
Oh, wow.
That was my thing. So guess what? I just went and learned.
Sure. And you still go do what you did I do, right?
I still gonna do what me do because you're not telling me. So guess what me gonna do?
Right. And what is sad is that many of our Jamaican parents back in the day, they were not prepared to have those conversations with their teenagers. Them never know how to do it. All them know how to do is be strict. You know, them never know how to do it. And
Listen,
then
what I care about is that she in the church.
Exactly.
She big in the church.
Yes, I don't want no embarrassment.
Exactly.
I don't want no embarrassment and whatever.
Because when my
Wrong
sister
approach.
get pregnant, I was younger when she get pregnant, but she said my sister got country.
Wow. Yeah, cause the shame. So she sent her daughter. No. Me not wish that for my daughter, but if that happened to my daughter, me not sending her away. You know, if it don't happen already, we have to say, okay, boom, you know, your life change, well, you know, me have to go there the fear or whatever, so it not happen again, and me a back or whatever. Me not sending away my daughter. Well, it happened, and she have to know say her father did the full support, you know, and thing and whatever, me go help her and all these things and whatever. But that was very common, you know, for send with the person who was pregnant, you know. Come on, think that at Jamaica back in the day when they get pregnant, you know, send them woman. Cause she man, you remember the song She Man Scandal in the Family and whatever. Come on thing, which I just think is so wrong, you know?
I just think that when you have a parent that's really in the church,
yeah,
and then people look up to them in the church, it's hard because everything you do, okay, like one time, I was only about maybe 13, 12.
Mm-hmm.
You know, them have, what they have, revival.
Mm-hmm.
Shouldn't go, but we not to go. So they have one little boyfriend at church. So everybody start walk, me I walk, and him. We are come home, everybody. Me not realize that everybody gone.
Mm-hmm.
Me no say we up on the road, but we are kiss up.
Yeah.
Me just feel somebody grab me and my neck back.
You know your neck back, that neck back grab me. Go my yard and whatever. Yeah.
Listen, and by the time I reach on my yard, she know everything.
Yeah. Why? Well, let's just hope so we move away from them days and thing. But you know, you did wassy in your time though, but big up yourself here.
Alright, later, Raga.
Yeah, man, blessings, man. Cool. Well on, I'm a general this. I lie. Ernie.
Yo, Raga, what's up?
Go on.
Oh, sorry, you know, accidentally.
I'm there. I said, what? You know, I'm a generalist. Ernie forward. Accident. Okay, that's a word, man. Big up yourself,
Respect,
man.
Raga.
All right, protection,
right,
my brother. Cool.
Yes, sir.
I don't do it mix-up, workplace mix-up, or any other mix-up. Even adults, you know, I don't do it. You know, say, one woman calling with one mix-up one time, right? Her husband and him friend them a play domino over fear house, regular. And she like off one of her...
No.
Hello? Yes, so her husband and him friend them, a regular them play domino in a fear house, she and her husband house. And she like one of her husband friend. And one time they must go ask the husband. The one time somebody must go tell the husband, say, you know, say, wife about you with so and so. No, that was a different one. That was a separate mix-up. But anyway, she and the one where the husband friend where she like, him make sure say him lose the game. Right? He make sure him lose the game. So that two more of the friend go in, on the table for play, because you lose. You have to get up and then two more come and the winner stay on and the husband thing. So he make sure say him lose. And then after him lose and the other two them gone, him go sell out the wife and him go sell out in them bathroom when the domino game are going out there. Right? When the domino game are going, that's why I tell people say, the man they who love watch put man all them something. Them always ask a big man. Let me tell you something. If a woman make up her mind, she gonna do it, and she not want to find out, there's no way you can find out. If she really not want to find out, there's no way you can find out. And if you want to find out, what I always say to them is, you have to make she think so you're the biggest idiot. Like you just not look feet at all. And I saw them will slip up. But if you make she know say you a look and you're suspicious and whatever, then you put her upon her guard and you will never ever find her. Now what I explain to him further, I say the other thing is that when man hide and do it, very often man spontaneous. When man hide and do it, very often man just guided by passion and horniness and whatever. Right? I say woman different with them something there. Women are planners. It have a plan. Right? And women think about contingencies. And most important, when women do them thing, them hide and do it, they stay within already established routines. They stay within already established routines. Women stay within that. If you know, say every Wednesday she go down, whatever, at that time they shall go do it. When the man want to do it for Monday, no. And when she on and she wait when she there around him, it has to be done Wednesday. I saw woman work. Right? One time we did a New Kingston and thing, and he did have one couple them meet every day in the parking lot, when I parking lot at New Kingston, and at the car during their lunchtime, right? Right? Did have a caller who named Marie, she did bust the talk, we say, yeah, enough of them funch. Get it? Funch. Them are funch. Not a lunch, a funch. Right? And that particular woman who I know and a man come there in a parking lot and then go and them shell. So she there at work. At work she there. Right? At work she there and take her lunchtime within established routine. Women bad pan that. Right? Man always drop a catch with them sitting there. Right? If a woman don't want you know, you nah know. One time, when they pan a look at mission and thing, the lady said, meet me so and so and thing. I want to meet so and so at King's Plaza. I want to meet at King's Plaza. That time I look at ramping shop base, one away, That's why I want a separate apartment up already. And I said, no, man, I carry you go up on my base, man, and thing and whatever, And she said, wait, man. I said, wait for what? She said, I have to go down a Clock Tower Plaza. I said, for what? She said, because I tell my husband, I go buy things down a Clock Tower Plaza. So I have to make sure I go back in with things. So I said, at King's Plaza, would I just buy something? She said, no. In case him want so and so, anything come up, I want to able to bring him back to the store where I buy it from in Clock Tower Plaza. So I say, you really have to go down? She said, yes, I have to go down a Clock Tower Plaza now. So she was just unflinching, it's a discipline, Let me tell you that discipline, the man have that something there. You know much time on woman and if a man and whatever and thing like that and want to do it and thing and them say, it's not the time yet. Not no yet. Not this thing have to plan properly. It has to be planned properly. Woman bad panda something there, you know. Yeah, I miss lady go down Clock Tower Plaza, buy everything them and whatever for she go back in and whatever. I see him woman there when, you know, me forget it the first time, she stopped me and she said, wait, 1 second, you know. We're going to do this. And I just want to say this to you before we do it, because I don't want to say it after, because I don't want you to take it in the wrong way, okay? People that are time me over the woman, you know, and they right at the living room entrance, you know. Me and my husband, we do some add-on on our house and thing, and me asking for some block, you know. I just need yeah, no man, right? They say, you know, man. I would never forget that or whatever. It was just weird and awkward, you know. And thing, and whenever as somebody who, like, for years, you know, woman no look man, you know, them send signals. Right? You have some woman will step to you directly, you know, but most women don't look man. Them just come around here and them send signal and whatever. And I just you for know saying, yeah, and you just step in and make a look at talk and whatever. And for about 2 years, this woman here do it, I'm like, my spirit, I said, don't go. You know, like, me just never feel it, you know, but I'm telling you, and girl sit right and look good, you know, man. And she used to crochet, but she crochet full outfit. And boy, man, tell her, man, she just stay well in a man, and then time the boy wild, you know, and sneaking doing and whatever. I mean, just decide to go with it and go get that little lecture then after we go through the whole elaborate thing and whatever. But the point I make though is that you know, women just discipline when it come to bunning. Everything, them think it out. Them think 3, 4, 5 step ahead. And yeah, some women do spontaneous stuff and thing, but women more than men, you know, are very meticulous in like them planning, you know. But I always say, you know how much man thinks yo, you know, long me want look so and so from her, and she has stubborn up a thing, and I just manage to just make she get it from her one night, you know, man. And I get it from her one night, man, and whatever, you know, long whatever. Poor you, Mr. Man, you don't know. That was the night she did plan for you. Yeah. You have enough man out there, you know, things and them break her down and whatever. She did want to give you a long time and whatever. It's just that she has set the time. She know the right time. She plan it. You understand? She know the right time. Right? That was the time she did plan. When enough time them man things and them break down the woman and whatever, poor you. You even know say that the woman there that night that she did plan to give it to you. Yeah? And them just, and the woman them on wicked, you know, make the man them know wise, you know, things say like him break you down. And when they go like couldn't want to do it and all them something there, whatever this and that. And on the man and think, why you think she did in another outfit there? Why you think say the thing did kind of set right that night there? Why you think she did well shave up and smell good that night there and all them thing there? You think by accident, poor you. Yeah, Nicky said, make them work, man. They work for you. Even upon the first. Now, sometimes, you know, in your young days, you get you with some things, you know, like, you know, them time that when you're lead and you know, girl pitting in no sense, man, and you full up the head with one bag of lyrics and all kind of thing. Them time there, yeah, you may end up get something what she never did plan for give that time there and look a seduction reach her and her head take her and whatever, you know. And you go through the stop no fears. The stop no fears, you know. You know, the stop no fears is the stop no. You can't behave no. Stop no about that fears there, right? And of course for men is alright, just when I put it in, just right at the edge, you know. Remember them days that no put it in, man, just And then you make me put it right at the edge, me I go stop. And you just make me put it right at the edge, I go stop. No? You go stop? Yeah, man. Yeah. And I'm going, yeah, man, just put it right at the edge and then must stop. Alright, cause don't put it in, you know. You tell man, boy, I'm going to put it in and I tell us or whatever. So if you just put it right at the edge, you stop then. Okay. Don't put it in, you know. Don't put it in. Oh my God. Those were the days, 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 don't it? Them days, the street champs, all know, man still do them some of that. Well, man still do them some of that. I'm grown man now, man. I can't bother with them sitting there now. One boy did tell me that, like me an idiot, but him want to turn me. Oh, watch ya? I can't believe that. Grown man still tell woman about just make me put it at the edge and them something there for real. Grown man tell woman them something there right now. You got to be kidding me. So ladies, if a grown man said that to you right now, like, is that a turn? Well, I don't know. Is that a turn off? If a grown man so just want to put it right at the edge, wouldn't that be a turn off? Is that a turn off? Oh, Sham said no. Oh, some people say yes. You know, yeah, when you're picnic, when you're, you know, teenager and them something there, yeah. But I don't know. I'm just assuming if grown man say something like that, no, you know, a woman would be like, what are you, 16, 17? What do you mean put war edge? Me look like me an idiot. No, I know I'm probably so naive, but I just had talk about back then I would pick me though. I would never think that grown men do them something there, right? You know? It just seemed so
Evening.
childish and ridiculous. Hello? Yeah.
Yeah, me have one story for you still, you know.
Yeah.
About me and two daughters and my mother.
Yeah.
All right. Meet one of the daughter first.
Yeah.
And knock your daughter. And then the daughter put me in one group.
Hold on. Is this a social media group or a physical group?
No, man, like WhatsApp group. WhatsApp.
Right, you have to say that. yeah. Go on.
Yeah, WhatsApp group.
Yeah.
Sorry. WhatsApp group. So when we go in the WhatsApp group now, it happened as me don't know the mother, I don't know the next sister, you know. I end up start text the mother. End up at the mother yard now and knock your mother now and
No. What you have to know if you tell Mixup in a party. or you reach a part where you knock your mother already. We don't know how that, you know, you basically say me knock your daughter, she put me in a WhatsApp group and me text your mother and then me knock your mother. We know. How you come for knock your mother?
Yeah. End up start text the mother.
Yeah.
Get to know the mother and mother invite me and over the yard and me and the mother get involved.
So when the daughter, they put you in the group, right? Because you're a stranger in a group. So the daughter make it known, say, you is the person she involved with.
No.
Oh, no?
Unfortunately, me just asked her, who had been in a group, and she said, me, So we just start texting at the group.
What kind of
So
group
it's not
it was?
like
What kind of, it was a family group?
It was just, she just built a group and just put all of who in our contact in the group. So it's not like a special group.
Oh.
She just build a group and end up in a group.
Oh, so she start out with you and end up put you in a group with where her mother in the group too.
Yeah.
And then
so me never
know
her mother.
And then you come to start texting mother separately now?
Because as man, you go in a group, you just start pick out girl out a group and you just text random people and send picture to her and she send me back picture and we meet and you understand, and then she invite me at the yard but she and the daughter never live,
No, but me I said, but she and the daughter never live. But remember, it's not a big 200 group. So the mother must have known, said your entrance into the group was from the daughter.
Well, me don't know, I don't know, me don't know.
Okay.
I just know, so I end up in the group.
Yeah.
And I start text. Me end up get she out of the group. Me don't know how the group go or what. But me just know, so I text the mother.
Okay.
But me never know the mother at the time,
Okay.
Me I go know the mother now. And when me at the yard after me and the mother done get involved already. And the mother say, so my daughter come look for me today. And I'm there at the yard and the house say, And the daughter come in. And I say, fuck.
No, well, and don't say the F word, yeah?
Sorry.
Yeah.
I say shit. Anyway, I say, she just say hi to me and she say hi, and I say hi back. And I say nothing to the mother still, So till I end up going with the mother for a look. But the first daughter is just a look one knock still,
Yeah.
And I like with it there. It's just a look, I see her, know her, me and her link, we just get a one link up and that was it.
Yeah.
Me and the mother break off now.
Yeah.
End up come from the yard now and see one nice sexy girl. Me a drive come down. And me a call to her and she not pay me no mind. Anyway, next about a couple weeks or so after now, me a walk come down the road. And she a come from work.
Mm-hmm.
So, buck her up again. So me I say, what go on? I call to you what the and you even answer me and thing and me and her exchange number and thing.
Mm.
So we are talking now, we are talking for a period of time now, The mother live at Waterhouse at the time. They move and go to Harborview now.
Mm-hmm.
So, me know, so they move to Harborview now, and she make me know that, So when I go to boom now and me and her link up, she say, why me go waterfront go buy ice cream and thing, but she carry her sister and her friend and her baby.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, I go to boom now, go pick her up. Drive to Harborview, pick her up. I come back, she said, pick up my sister over the KFC around at the Harborview at the roundabout there. So. Remember, me and the sister not get involved yet, This I want to know in the last one,
Right.
So when I go to boom and pick up my sister, when I go to boom and realize that she coming out the car, I said, good night. So I say, what is? I said, Judge, what is? So I go to boom and bring them go down a waterfront and give her $3,000 to buy ice cream and go away and say, when you already call me.
Mm-hmm.
So I say, Judge, this come like, she must have tell her sister, say, if she not tell her sister about me, about she go there and tell her sister, so she see me in her mother's house. So, I kind of lose interest, because I say, she go there and go tell her that no. Anyway, I'm going to pick them up back and drop them back at them yard and thing. nah, call the sister, you know. The sister reach out to me, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So me I say, it look like she don't tell her her sister nothing then. If the sister still are interested to make a move towards or go on, she don't tell her sister.
Mm-hmm.
So woman get back interested and make some move and invite some yard and thing and you know enjoy the whole three of them still. But sometimes we just look back on it and me and say, yo, Jaja, look how it work out because she just put me in the group and me just pick out one person out of the group and I'm never knowing that her mother.
Mm-hmm.
And she come at the house, see me, and she still not say nothing.
Mm-hmm.
I said, Jaja, is it?
So the mother never suspect nothing with, with the daughter where you didn't knock. The daughter never suspect nothing with the mother where you didn't knock. And then the other sister now will come in and thing, and all of them interact with you there and thing, and none of them say nothing to the other one.
It's not like the whole three will meet up somewhere already.
No, me just say at different points though. You interact.
Yeah, the first one, she just look like she keep her mouth.
Right.
Because she don't say nothing.
Right.
Me that thinking that she tell her sister say. If she not tell her sister.
No, you explain that, but I say it's just interesting that everybody not figure out certain things are just,
I know them not figure
it, and you end up sort out a mother and her two daughters.
Boy, I tell you.
All right. Now say a word, man. All right. Blessing.
All right. Big up yourself.
Yeah, man. Respect, man. Cool. Yeah, I don't do it mix up, workplace mix up. Ilian, where go on?
Nah, no close, Raga.
Where go on, my friend?
Big up your nice self. You only want some clothes.
Yeah, only want some clothes to bring me off, don't?
Yes, but you're nice and you're clean and your big nose carrier.
I'm if I tell you,
though. Head to match your nose.
Yeah, a big head and big nose, I do it. I tell you, man, that around the place right now. I don't know what them I fight it for.
And big something too.
Sure, straight. Yeah, talk to me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Raga, you don't really have no mix up, but that's true. Me hear you talk about put it on the edge.
Yeah.
Me really say me talk to you tonight.
Yes, man, talk to me.
When mom's not really in the mood,
Yeah.
And Mr. Man, I said, just funny edge, mom. Just funny edge.
Yeah.
And he tip it on the edge until he put it right in. What nice so.
Well on. So you say even if a grown man say him just want to put it on the edge and thing and whatever, even when you're in the mood, that will make you, that will turn you on, right? Or that you say? Eh? Alien. Look like Alien touch our mute button, Alien. Alien, how happen? Alien, you have to go short my back. I look like you get cut off. But you hear what she say, I mean, my initial thing about it was like, if a grown man said that, it would sound immature and thus be a turn off. But what Ileana say is like, if a man say him just want to put it on the edge, and in a mood, the man can get her in the mood and thing. Yeah. But I think in that okay, I don't know. I think probably that would be a different thing if you're already there with the person, or you already do it with the person and the person do that. Because when a woman give consent, so she really want to do it, Probably she not 100 in the mood and she really want to do it and whatever. I can't see where that is funny. You know, because sometimes, yeah, you know, you're probably not in the mood and whatever, and man start going with something seductive or whatever, something playful and get you in the mood and thing. Yeah, we have various forms of that, so I can't see where that is. But I think what I was making reference to is if you never ever do it with a person, because I remember I did that talk about, you know, when you're young, it's just this young boy thing in a Jamaica if you talk about. Just put it on the edge, no man. Man, nah, put it in, man. Just put it on the edge, man, and thing like that. So that me did I talk about, like, you never get it yet, and you try convince the woman, you know, to do it type of thing. And that me did I talk about, which is alien.
Yes, Raga, where you gone, so?
Nah, man.
I give to you so nice.
So, I'm gone, so you don't give it to me now.
Me I tell you.
Yeah. So what you said that what you refer to do when you're already there with somebody, don't?
Yeah, man, and you just not in the mood for do nothing.
Right.
And him dead a bother you and say, Moms, me just a put it right on the edge.
Yeah.
And you just make him put it on the edge a little bit and then he just slide it right in. One night, some love.
What you say?
Not even the curry goat or dog bite eat no nice stuff.
Well, man, I tell you, you know, alien, you don't have that Jamaican summer, so then I want nice summer love. No, but alien, that is when you and a man already involved.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
That is when you and the man already involved and I look at playfulness coming and you're the man, stop bothering me, no man, and type of thing.
Yes.
And him did yeah, I understand that. But tell me something. If a man I look you and him want to do it the first time and I tell you, say, him just want to rest it at the edge and him not go do nothing and whatever. And you that thing said that is sexy?
That not sexy at all. That a idiot at all.
Yeah.
It better just come straight.
Yeah.
It's either get it or you not get it.
Yeah, but that was my point though. You know, like if a man a draw for you and him a try get you to do something where you not feel right at the moment there, you know if you want to do it with him or anything like that. Or you know your mind, you not dead so yet, you know, whatever. And him a go tell you, say, make me just rest it at the edge now, whatever. Obviously, I try trick you, whatever. Like, me I say, if a grown man do that, if that would be sexy and whatever. So basically, I say, yeah.
That not cute at all.
That one they not cute. That one not cute. Yeah, that was it. Yeah.
My sister have one niece who is not my niece.
Right.
Maybe your listeners, them, some will understand and some not understand. You know, say she like you from back in the days. Say she would give you and do oral with you. And she couldn't charge you.
And she wanna charge me?
No, she like your body.
She like me?
Your body.
Body? What? So what you say? What you mean? You would have charged me? Some would I get like she just want to do it? She would have just enjoy doing it to me.
You.
Okay.
Just like how me would have do it with you, see and boy cannot charge him.
And when you say no charge, that is your way of saying like, nah, man, you say, but I run it upon you and I don't want nothing in return. You know, nothing in return. You just want one half of him and thing and just run it upon him, the experience. So when you say your sister niece says, your sister niece says what should I send her? So what you mean? Should I send her headers?
Yes.
What, for real? She wants to send her headers for me for the yeah, and just to the pleasure, though.
Yeah, because she said when she see you, she know you're clean.
Okay. Oh, God. All right. Okay. All right. That get ELR up for me here.
Yeah, man. There, Raga, go and listen. Big up Pattern Spike. Raga, how comes you lock off so early last night?
You know, I said nobody never come up in the request box, and I'm going to tell people, me not force nothing.
But Raga, you could have just talk.
No,
talking alone, turn on enough people, you know?
No, me know, but listen, me talk for, no. Me talk for 2 hours yesterday.
Me know.
2 hours straight me talk for. And I could have talk further, because you know, me can't talk. Yeah.
Of course, I entertain people.
Yeah, me can bring up all kind of things to talk, but there was something there yesterday when, you know, like the mood with me, and me just, me not force it. If nobody not coming at the box, me not force it.
Yeah, me understand.
Yeah, you know, me just say, all right, if I eat that, and me just let go, you know, because me just feel
all
like
right, just go and big up your listeners, them in Ragashanti, and you know what me not like to me cuss them to, you know, when them a talk about move to the next caller.
yeah, the one them in the no man, me address them up from what they make them know. So
yeah, man, we need to hear what everybody have to say.
Right, and it is quite common in our talk show that you're going to get some call. I know what I do, right? You don't give me no directions and things. But you see, again, you know, we're in a generation, Elaine, where everything must fast. Them want things fast. Right? So them do it's not, some of them do it mean to be rude, you know. It's for them thing is like, come, fast, you know. And the social media thing, you know, with them not no patience.
Every night you can get mixed up, you know, sometimes you get things that where you say what make you cry. You know a sad story out there.
Yeah, you are listening to me years. You know, we have been there, right? We have some rough show, something where we could ball, some serious thing and whatever, you know. But you have them people who come and them just want one thing, and if them not get for them one thing, them start bitch and cuss in the chat. And nothing wrong if you want one thing and you don't get it, you know, but don't come poison everybody else with your negativity with it. And don't come go and like say, yeah, come style me too, cause me done you.
Me know.
yeah,
your mouth not proper.
No, but Elaine, me behave now though, man. You know me back in the day. Tell you, the person no, the Elaine, talk it truth. The person no, is it anything like the person back then when me I dry them up and I cuss out and clock down there?
You're cheating.
Nah, man, different somebody right there. Different somebody right there. I could have JPS, I could have water commission, I could have the dirty man where they do so and thing. I went me people back in the day, you know, and somebody dirty man, we take the woman clothes off for the line, you all crash. Dab them up in some man.
They shit made like you see me.
Yeah, man, rub them out.
You get a hold of yourself.
Yeah, no man, I'm a good behaving boy, and then catch me now when I'm nice, man.
Sure.
All right, now say a word here, Elaine.
Yeah, big up all of your listeners, them and your texts them, each and every one, the good and the bad.
You see it. Give time. Yeah. Elaine just knows a Raga love you and rate you, know, all right?
Straightforward Raga.
Elaine too cute, them for no proper. No eat.
Yes, sir.
Bye. All right, then cool. Yeah, then no eat. Elaine that from foundation, you know. Then no eat. Yes, we're there. No, man. People that show this thing reflect life, you know, people. Man, I tell you, you know, sometimes you have in life, all of your days not happy and exciting. You have some down days, you have some up days, you have a day when it's a mellow thing, you have a day when it's fun there, whatever. The show is like that. So and we're going to have more of that. We're going to have days when things just not juggle, you know. The social media, you know, we get a critical mass of people only to the degree where the social media send out the thing. If the social media not send it out, and you get like 200 people, it's a decreased number. So it decreased the probability of the amount of calls and the variety of calls you're going to get. Just comes with the territory, you know. And when that happens, don't get flustered, don't panic and thing. Just chill, all right? All right, hello?
Wagwan Raga.
There, you know.
I'm earth strength. I'm going to give you a mix of
Well on, today are your birthday?
Yeah, man.
All right, first things, turn down the volume on your phone a little bit, yeah? Turn it down, just bring it down.
All right.
All right, then. And before you go, happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, my darling. Happy birthday to... Oh, by the way, I have like a Luther Vandross ending, okay?
All right.
Okay. Are you ready for this?
Go on, man.
Okay, here we go. You. Yo, man, tell you, man, that time when I run me thing, I know them R&B singer in a trouble, right?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, if Neo hear me right, I know him get nervous, right?
Hey, I mean, just drop your punsy on him, man.
Yeah. If R. Kelly hear it, him, I say, yo, me hear Raga singing, me don't want to come out of prison, because I'm going to done me. Hear you in a lot, jeez. Oh, God, I love when you can't put up with my foolishness. All right, talk to me, birthday girl. Talk to me. Yeah, man, yeah.
Never about yesterday, because you know, we have to get the pre-birthday treat from people.
Sure.
So, you know, yeah, today I heard him never there and yesterday.
Okay.
Anyway, we're going to give one good mix-up as I talk about woman stay when woman ready for cheat.
Yeah.
Trust me, then we do the thing.
Yeah.
And do it silently.
Yeah.
My first baby father, me and him live for years. And Raga him born me. Him born me go, him born me come. Him come in with hickey and he do everything and he tell me say a gunman put gun on him neck and one bag of something.
Well, no, I lie you tell for the man.
I lie you
tell for the man. The man could have never tell you something so ridiculous.
He tell me say gunman hold up him and the pastor and the drummer at the church.
Yeah.
And I said, then what the gunman do? Fire the gun in the ear and put it on your neck and he burn you?
And when he said, no, man.
He never know. He never did know Raga, because you see through him black in piece and then they go show. But the girl give him so good.
Yeah.
And I tell her, say, the red are red, you know, man.
Jesus, God, the wicked woman.
You know, I stay with him, Raga, I not lie. I did stay with him, man. He burn me and he burn me come.
Yeah.
And one of the time when him a go on with him antics, me and him, we sleeping at the same bed, but we never intimate. And me live at Clarendon, and my mother live at Clarendon, and me and him live at town. So one weekend, me go to Clarendon with daughter, and this guy from my community see me and run me down in the bus. And he must say, a lot of time I watch me and him know me for years and him like me or whatever.
Yeah.
All right. Then I know say I live at town with my baby father and thing. Then him start talking, buy a vehicle, and Rag about 2 weeks after, my baby father, brother, have a bar and a restaurant where me did I run it. He put me in charge.
But who buy the vehicle?
The guy where I run my door.
Okay, yeah.
So, I said to him, yeah, what? I run a restaurant and a bar for my brother-in-law, you know. And on such day, I do steam fish and thing. Come forward. Say, all right. Raga, you know, saying, come. My baby father did it and his brother did it. And me make him man come there and put on a piece of steam fish.
Yeah.
And feed him right there.
Yeah.
In front of my baby father and his brother.
Yeah.
But him know my baby father. Not introduce him. Show him say other person is my baby father.
Yeah.
So him aware, but my baby father do aware of nothing.
Nothing, right.
Yeah, I'm a go on so till me and him start getting involved and we get intimate and thing. And
Yeah.
I left town and left him and go back to Clarendon. Him become my baby father for my second child.
The BUNNAMAN.
The BUNNAMAN.
So well on. So the whole time then when Una did up that he and him did a go and sort out and him come at the bar and all them something and they run the baby father no know though.
Me and him never start out. We did just start getting.
Just
So
start getting.
him there. Yeah.
But me say after that your baby father never in the same position with him.
Him never know nothing. Me go on like about a month before me could have left go back a Clarendon.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man. Me tell us when he find out Raga nearly dead, me tell us him ball like a baby.
And
but Raga, me tell us the woman left, right, and center. Them a call me phone, them a do everything, and me I tell us him come in when he feel like and thing.
So you got through it with him with the woman them.
Yeah, man. Me put up with it, you know.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not lie, but you know, when me did make up my mind and say I move on, me did move on. You know, as you say, when woman a do them thing, man nah know cause he never have a clue.
And the thing, and the next step, the alternative, did I build right under him nose?
Yeah, but I build my future for move out, man. Me just a go and take it and stop it and everything him a go on with, man. Me just go and deal with it. Yeah, man.
And him
sorry,
did
man.
I know, and she said the man did, and they eat steam fish with the man.
Hey, when you tell him, say, you see that man there when they come my restaurant today, when they say, who that man, I told man, and them I say, oh, new face in that place, them want to know who. I say, I invite him to come, because I tell him, say, you know, we do good fish and something, and stuff, come all the vibes and things. Baby father, him one, you know, him brave.
That's him saying brave, no?
And me, I tell her, say him brave, because he not like him carry one next friend or nobody come with him.
Yeah, him alone come. And they eat steam fish and then eventually end up
as... I don't charge him or nothing.
You don't charge him. No, but me say him dead.
Full him belly in front of them face.
No, but him dead eat steam fish and later on end up as steam your fish.
I'm not walking back for me. And give me one son.
Yeah, no. Yeah, why? Me tell him man them all the while and thing and them. Me say if woman, you know, make up their mind, say them the one you know. You can't know, you know?
Yeah.
You can't know, you know?
Me dey give me sweet, man. Me not lie. Me tell us me sit down for months with the bunny and me ball and me go on and the good man still enough to tell you the truth.
Yeah.
Because him have a bag of woman them and him round the world and him never do nothing for him pick me at one point. And this a BUNNAMAN step up.
No, I'm sure.
And him tell say BUNNAMAN start say, when me get pay and me nah no money, must say, come me buy grocery for your daughter and thing. Can me go buy grocery for the little girl and thing.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Man, but we know if we do a thing, we discreet with the thing, because I tell him it's not a bun still, you know.
Right.
When me say me done.
See it there.
We live on the same roof with you, and I tell you.
See it.
Just make up my mind and gone.
Aye, boy, that's a word, man. Big up yourself.
Man,
no, show about the blessings again, you know, all right?
They are queen still, you know, so no worry. I might see me, if I not have work that time, you might see me at your bash.
All right, please do, all right? Big up yourself, here.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, cool. Yeah, man. Ragabash, my birthday party, September 20th, right? Amazura, right? More to no fall. Hey, people. Anybody that listen to me, and I couldn't know this already, so it's gonna hear it already. Anybody that listen to me a long time, the wickedest thing me see a woman do, not wicked as in evil, but like in terms of skill and craft. Where Juicy Beef is right now in New Kingston, it used to name Jamrock. It used to be a restaurant named Jamrock. Well, I'm assuming it's the same Juicy Beef, they're the same place, below what was Asylum before. So it used to name Jamrock. So on Fridays, Jamrock used to have a little music thing and go on in at the restaurant and thing and whatever. And I have a sister, you know, when I'm a sister and thing. If you see her, you know, if you see her, you that how she carry herself, you know, never know that she bad like yours, you know, bad, you know, like bad, you know. And one night, because me and her reason, you know, she knows so me have her back, you know. So she tell me who and whatever. So me know them, you know. And me know 4. So she did a juggle 4 man. 4 man. And as she said you can collect and them something there. I fear thing that, you know. And whatever. Bad girl, man. So one night I go in a jang rack and thing. And I 4 man me see in there. The 4 of them, cause me know them, you know. And so at the point, you know, I draw next to him, I say, MB, the 4 of them in here. They say, I'm good, man, how are yourself, man? I said, no, you shouldn't have make them a cross paths, man, that, you know, I can't dangerous for you, you know. She said, I'm good, man. I just saw it end up work out because you did have Rodney, did have do something that night. The Rodney from FMFM who used to do uncensored and them thing. The Rodney did have do something. And she said, how it work out is that all of them said they want to come the Rodney thing. And she said she couldn't do nothing for kind of make it suspicious. So she them did have to come. And the 4 of them did it. And she had juggled the 4 of them, you know. You know, I know say at some point, I end up attack to 2 of them, right? But individually, you know. And each one who me talk to out of the 2, you know. Each one I tell me, say, I point out the other 3 and I say, you know, I say, them a look her. So I say, I say, them a look her? You sure? I say, yeah, man. She make me know what I want, man. I say, them a look her? I say, yeah, them a look her. And whatever. I'm a fear type, though. See that? Me, I rub it in a raga. I lie. Are you a kill it? Yeah, man. Me, I rub it, but them don't know, man. I never mind. And then the next one, I need to find something to do with, see, them talk about steam fish. It was something to do with brown stew fish or something, and me and him stand up there attack. And I say, Raga, what go on? Because them know say me know her, you know. So I say, Raga, what go on? And I say, boy, like, when I say, well, like him, I say, boy, thank God for your friend, you know, God send your friend, you know. And I say, oh, for real? I say, yeah, man. My girl, you know. And me, the hypocrite. What you mean? Man, I know what she tell me, say she not tell you, you know, but I knock it, man. You and her sort out? Yeah. But not say nothing, you know. Because I show you a thing. You see that man there? And you see that one day over there, so one day, them a look at her, you know. But we hold it down. Because them things say me and look about me and her, me and knock it too, you know. Yeah, man, but can't make them know, you know, because me and her everything lock and see. So me I say, oh, see, you know, worry yourself, man. Boom, 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 boom. Who will tell the other 2 them probably I think the same thing too. So she a juggle 4 man. And whatever she I tell them how she a govern her thing, and how she a run her thing. Each one of them thinks the other 3 are idiot. In a way where them a hold it down and not say nothing, you know. Because them feel privileged and esteemed, you know, because each one thinks that them alone I get it, you know. And the other 3 them are clown. That's what you call game. That name game. Right? It's dangerous. You know, I still maintain it's dangerous. Because when you see some man can't manage them something, then when them go find it out and thing, and them, you know, they move certain way, you know. So, I not endorse it. I just I say, whatever she a tell all of them, you know, each one feels say him a the man, him a the only one, and the other three are idiot. And whatever, you understand? So I know say enough man a go listen this now. I said that could have never happen to me. And way. Men, how many times do you in a situation with woman and woman, you know? Oh, him? You must a man. You seem like me look like me careless. You see me look like me careless. And I say hello in mouth kind of like fratty and thing like that. You must be mad. What me could I do with all that the man there? And it's that man that she had do something with and you'd never know. Oh, you think and easy when they're ready for run game? Yo. That's why I don't stress out myself. I try to kill off myself for certain things. Yes, yeah, me don't want nobody. You see it. Let's see what I go on there, so now. Yeah, I don't do it Mixup or workplace Mixup or any other Mixup on. No, man, the way a woman bad pan them thing, man, not even them left hand or them right hand, I do. Hello? Hello?
Manners and respect.
Cooker?
Original cooker.
Oh, what?
There, man, everything good with you?
Yeah, man, everything balance up, man. You know, so me have one brown stew fish there when me I knock after me finish. You know, me just I tell you that, right? And if you feel free for bad mind me, come and know you don't have a brown stew fish in your house right now.
Was that true? I have fish in the deep freeze, but in a cook it.
Okay, in a cook it. Well, I had my brown stew fish delivered from The Door Restaurant. The Door Restaurant is a famous restaurant in the Jamaican community in Queens. You ever heard of it?
Raga, I may ask about Door.
But The Door Restaurant, yeah.
I live at Queens 20 years.
Oh, you're a chef, so you know about The Door then. All right. So
exactly right.
No, so I just want you feel free for bad mind me. You can bad mind me from a brown stew fish and whatever. You understand?
I find that right.
All right. Oh, yes.
Yeah, I'm bad mind people.
Oh, yes.
Raga, so 2 years ago I lived in a DC area.
Yeah.
And finally 15, I know when I come over it's rough a little bit. So
yeah.
You start creep till you walk boy.
Yeah.
So I little sister now and secondly now. And me and her live together.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't know what I'm telling about her. I'm just bad.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, which way, she come catch me one girl yard one night.
She come do what?
Dance. I tell her she go dance.
Mm-hmm.
And go one girl yard.
Yeah.
Never know she trail me.
Yeah.
And come catch me at the girl yard.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, me not come out. She beat down the door all night. And me not come out.
You not come out.
Anyway, she stab me 4 tired door. 4 tired and stab up.
She stab up your 4 tired. Why them always have to do that? Why them always have to do that?
I don't know, Raga. I have no idea.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, me start out the morning early and go on and fix the tiring post. Then me slowly go home, you know?
Yeah.
And the argument and the war start.
Okay.
By this time, she go work for 9 o'clock. We reach about 6:30.
Yeah.
She pack one bag and grab up things and gone. So she go. So I left. I say, all right, cool, go on. I'm watching the cool on.
Yeah.
I can't fight her pan, but she know. You understand?
Right.
So she gone now and right today. I call her workplace to their work. So I say, okay, go to their work.
Yeah.
So I don't want to bother work, but to their work.
Yeah.
5 o'clock come now, done. Call her phone, she not answer. About 8 o'clock, she finally answer. Where you come for? I say, where you there? I say, my auntie. So right away, Raga, no, yeah man, not real man, Raga. I that shame. Me drive on the auntie yard, circle the yard. I'm looking to see a car park outside. I say, okay, fine, to the auntie, everything good. And by next morning, bright and early, circle the yard again. Next time, the car do the same way, Raga. I don't care. It is what it is. I watch my woman.
Yeah, watch your woman. Yeah, watch your woman.
I watch my woman. All right. Me not busy about no other man. Yeah, watch my woman. All
yeah,
right?
watch your woman. Yeah.
All right. So, we talk and 2 weeks from now after that auntie came, carefully had see me watch the yard. Yeah, they went for the day. Yeah, I'm saying everything good. What about 3 weeks now? I said, Mama, come in back in the place. Make a fix it. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to behave myself and I'm going to be nice. She said, all right, cool. So I go work today. Left work, she come home back. Exactly about 3 weeks, I left on 3 weeks. Couple days shy, 3 weeks. Our favorite food at that time was ackee and corn pork. But we can't get corn pork in America, we use a pigtail substituted. At the same taste again, because American corn pork too lean and they give the fat where you want and the skin where you want. So I use a pigtail instead. But she like that.
Okay.
So I come in the evening now, I cook and ackee and corn pork and banana and dumpling.
Yeah.
And she come home now about 6 o'clock she reach home from work and right away I'll go and miss the baby and all these things, you know what I'm saying? And she eat and thing and don't eat some and grab her and join her bathroom and put a shower together and she bathe me and the bathe her and
sure.
The sort out start right there, so in the bathroom.
In the bathroom, Lord have mercy.
In the shower.
Yes, man. Yeah.
I will come out wet same way.
Yeah.
But when I head to the bedroom, wet head to the living room.
Yeah.
Wet same way, Raga, starting out, I go on and put her up on her back for later, Raga. And put her knee them behind her ears, Raga.
Yes, man, knee behind her ears.
I'm get in now, because it's a woman excited. She's very excited. That's what I like about her.
Yeah.
She's very excited and pure nice and, and Raga, go at work. I dig him, Raga.
Yeah.
And I like every time I have sex, I like the way I can look and see my boy are going and out. I like it. It's something me likes it. I don't know what to do another.
No. It's most men do, unless they're a Christian and whatever they say. Most men do. We love that. We love to just look down and watch and see that thing. And this is information I extracted from my research, my extensive research. But most men do. Most men do. What can sweet more than that? When you watch other going on the murder, man. Yeah.
Yeah, see, so I watch it and I'm deal with Ragasine until I make pure nice and I say, yeah, because I just stay in with you. I like that.
Yeah.
You're full of vibes.
Yeah.
I'm say, Raga, I look down and suddenly I see something foreign right to the edge. That's all. I'm say, oh, what that? So I'm digging 2 times again and it's something come up clearer. I'm going to drag out Raga. No one can't dump the put her Raga.
Yeah. And before any woman come call, but that can't happen. It happened on many occasions. It has happened a lot.
Millions of times.
Yes, it has happened a lot. And the woman don't know.
He's not the first with me, okay?
Yeah.
I've seen several times. But this some woman where men and live together were just gone 3 weeks ago.
Yeah.
Okay. Raga, me not lie to you, Raga.
Yeah.
Get wrong. Me get a hard back same time. With her foot of the ear same way.
Yeah, you sure.
And she jump up and say, yo, me check trash. And when she see it and she say, yo, she can explain. Me say, explain what?
You show no box her still. Yeah, we are tell the truth. We appreciate you tell the truth, but you show no box her still. Yeah.
Well, at the time, it was hot at the time, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Spur of the moment.
Yeah.
And anyway, she start talking bullshit now. I tell me say, yo, she over our auntie yard and she did Arnie and chosen deer. she put on a condom on her dildo. I was doing it, and she
Yeah,
assumed the
yeah,
condom
it's true.
would be
No, it's true. She
personally.
tell. It's true. She tell. The condom did dip on her dildo and it slide off in her. She
Yeah,
forget
me know,
it.
Raga, me
I
know.
true. She that tell. Leave the woman alone.
Me know.
Yeah,
Me know.
yeah, boy, you make your woman get catch you in a next woman yard and I tell her to come out and you know come out the whole time. Where you feel? Oh, and but under your structure, yes, and whatever. She say, you can in there. I jump up in a woman belly and then thing I'm outside and you and the woman must in there laugh at me, laugh off of me and all these things that you not come out. I'm outside and make up
And
one
the
whole heap of
wickedest thing,
night.
Raga, she know the woman, you know.
She know the woman.
She didn't know the woman.
Well, but then she know the woman when
Me in the house with.
no, what
You know,
may I
woman
say?
good.
Okay, fine. She know the woman, but did she know that is it that night? Did she because she can know the woman, you know, but no know say you and her do something I never know say she in the house. So she didn't
All
know
right.
she didn't know her like that, say she in there with you?
Yes, she know the woman and also the woman, yeah. Like, you want me know. I look at sister in it, see me and
No,
like
well, I know cooker no. Well, we know say years ago and them thing there, but man, listen to you, and it is obvious to me that you could have benefited from my boarding school. Okay, because at my boarding school we teach people how to give bun with respect. Right? We tell people say if you have a good man or a good woman and you don't have a bun, don't bun. If you have a good man and you have a good woman and you don't have a bun, don't bun. Resist the temptation. But we are not idiot. We know it's a burning a go on from the dawn of humanity and it a go on. So if you have to do it, you have to do it with respect. You should not go burn the woman with somebody who she know.
Well, Raga.
Right?
Sometimes something happens sometime where the
No,
smart
but
head
no,
not-
I'm gonna make you continue, you know. But me just I say anyway, you did in front of me right now, you'd have to put out your hand and get some caning and some snapping and whatever, car. When I rule that
Raga,
you'll get
sometimes
violent.
we man sometimes I think with the big head, you know, think with the small head, you know what I'm saying?
Right, that's right. We need more think
That's
like
a
the woman.
very-
Them. Yeah, yeah. All right, cook I just say a word in my general, all right?
Man doesn't respect her.
No, but you see that condom, something they do that several, I know a whole bunch of time, different
I have
time, what
seen
happen
it
with different
several
people,
times.
you know, yeah. I mean, condom does turn up sometime in a people clothes and thing, but yeah, it just leave in a woman and the woman don't know. And it just itch up someone in there and they don't know. And them don't know. Them go pee, them go this, them go that, and it in there and them just know.
Yeah, it stays inside them some more time. I've seen it.
Yeah.
About 3 times I've seen it
Yeah.
with 3 different people.
Yeah. Sometimes
There
the
are two-
woman themselves find it after too, you know.
The other 2, I didn't say nothing because, and I like a woman, I just get some just keep quiet and just continue what I do.
Yeah. See,
But the one they did have to.
And you know what is funny? Anytime this come up and on different shows, it's usually the women who are saying, no, that's not possible. You see, somebody in the chat, Lisa, said, but if you are me no inside of the woman biology, but me I tell you say it happen. See, some other woman I say it happen. Me not ask you. Me I tell you say it happen. Me I tell you say it happen. And it happened to sometime when the woman themselves eventually find it because it must shift for this or that or whatever. And there are times when the man find it too, when something else are going on. And you know the worst with that though. I'm sorry, me I laugh out the joke. Yeah, man. A man, but theme thing, I might be in confront to, you know. But him love talk but him love slurp. Him love slurp. Him slurp. You know, say man, man I run joke and him I say, me a slurp, you know, underneath for slurp, man. So I tell him, say, nah, yeah, you slurping foolishness and whatever and thing. So it was always a running joke with him, you know. When him there around me and he used to there around Elephant Man, them crew a lot and whatever. So anytime Ellie come out, him usually dead there and a beer joke and thing when he was chatting and him I bring up him. Slurping. Then I know say that slurp one night, man, and just slurp up a condom right in his mouth. But yeah, man, well, I know. Him never tell we do, you know. Him never tell we.
Not like that.
But well, no cuss him a cuss her. Him a cuss her right in front of the wedding, in front of Stone Love there, wedding. I cuss him a cuss her and then go and the cross line. A style her now and so she just bust it out and you know Jamaican woman them a cuss, them woman they a cuss raw. And she say, go away, God. Can't say what she say, but basically she say, you S out a condom. We still have the man, and yo, when she bust it out, the one I would just get quiet. I be like, wait, what she say? What she say? And him like a damn idiot, him go get quiet and hold down him head. Confirmation, right? They say, you know, him should have go and talk. I say, well, I make up your foolishness and go and chat foolishness and whatever. Him should have do. But when she go say it, my dad him just hold on him head and vex and hold on him head and a confirmation to him and all I would just clutch and I say, Jano, the general go slurp out a condom.
The writers who are writing stuff right now, they not understand the story I just tell us now and how it happened. The man leave it in there. No, the man didn't leave it inside of her. It burst and piece left off and the ring left back on your penis. Most of the time.
I saw it go. Yeah, most of the time I saw it.
Okay, and the man leave it inside there.
No, but to their point though. No, to their point though. And this came up before. To their point though. If a man put on a condom, he's supposed to know if him take off a condom.
But Raga, listen to me. He said if you are the man who get a piece of a man woman, a condom bust, you not complain about that. Most of the time, you the man not complain about that.
No, I understand that. But what I say is there have been cases where it's a big piece of the condom.
Yes, sometimes.
Yeah, but I said that man must know say a big. If your man put on a whole of condom and a big piece of the condom, he must know that. So
he knows, but sometimes they don't say nothing to the woman because sometimes I'm coming already. Come you know. I work with condom, you know. I'm coming, you know. Pull out, you know. Look at the ring alone, you know.
Yeah, but I said them.
Quiet.
Yeah, some man know. I don't say nothing.
Yeah, they know.
They know say it in there. They know it in there. I don't say nothing. Yeah.
Mandatory have to know.
Yeah, I don't say nothing. You know.
I don't say nothing.
Yeah. All right. That's our word, Papa. Cool. Yeah, sir.
Man,
yeah, man. It goes some man. Cool. Yeah, man. Some man must know. Some man must know. Must know, you know. People. One time, you know, back in the day when me and bad, you know, man. And, you know, Jamaica, man, we're really into lingerie and them something, you know. Somebody that juggle with one, somebody, you know, man, that big ugly panty she wear. Her panty them ugly. I mean, never like them some kill vibes panty, you know. Somebody just solicit to me now. Come, I'm going to buy you some panty or whatever, you know. So we go so boom, you know. And she say, you serious? I'm going to say, yeah, man, come, man. I'm going to buy her a hook. We're going on a Vicky, you know, man. I'm buy her a whole heap of panty. I'm going to say, yeah, you know. He say, as long as me and juggle, I don't want to see none of them ugly panty there. Them panty if I put on, right, when me buy fear. And so, all right, and whatever. And because of that, you know, she did a run joke. And she come out in a one, and then she line up, cut enough my boy, you know, and then she line up the other one and say, all right, you gotta take out the one and we'll do so, and we'll put on the one and then you take out the one. We did it. And, you know, she was fun, you know, because, you know, she had the same similar sense of humor. So, it was a lot of jokes. So we said, all right, go with the pink, no, go put on the pink, and then we take out the pink, and whatever, take out the pink, and we'll do so. I was like, put on the white one, and we take out the one, and we'll be a foolish, this way, go out with her, whatever, enjoy yourself, you know. But them time the boy they are road, you know, man. Some go so boom now and thing and left and people I don't know how. But the next day, I take off my jeans when me go home, you know. And the next day, the jeans never dirty, you know. We in Jamaica, we say half dirty. Can I take off my jeans, beard and go this and that, and go on my bed and whatever. Wake up the next day and think, put on back your jeans, you know. You know, you read about jeans. And I walk out with my people. And when me I walk out with my people and thing and whatever, you know, me and my people say, you know, she called me Gordo, right? She was from Spain. And them have this affectionate term. She said, Gordo, ¿qué es eso? You know, what's that? Somebody said, what? She said, what's that? And when I look at people, you know, I say, I want panty that right under the... When I sexy dress, you know, right under the foot of my jeans, somehow the panty did in at the jeans, you know. Me don't know how the panty get in at the jeans. The panty did in at the jeans to the point when me take off the jeans and go beard and go on my bed and whatever. Me don't know how the panty in at the jeans. And one of them I did buy, but the panty in at the jeans. And I put on back the jeans and some of the panty in at the jeans and then probably, me don't know how the panty, me don't know. But right there, so the panty run come down now and I come out from under my jeans foot, right? And thing and my people go see it and say, what that I do there, so? Yeah, right away, me know which panty, you know, because I me they pick them out. You understand? Right, tell me I say, is this some kind of joke? And she's like, no, I'm asking you. I'm saying, why would you do this? And she's like, no, that's not my underwear. I'm say, oh, enough to be your underwear. Clearly it's coming on whatever, boom, 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 you know? I'm going to cover my track and say, but yes, I'm going to put on the jeans when I did that, whatever. So it's reaching at the house and whatever. And it never crossed our mind. Say, oh, it could have did it the day before and you know, whatever this and because she said, I put on the jeans and whatever. So she said, oh, that reaching now, whatever. And up till the it, you know, well, you know, whatever, you know. But as I say, like strange things can happen where, you know, somebody looking at that can be like, you know, so you never know when you put on the jeans, you never feel it or whatever, you know, like if you start thinking logically, you say, no, but then you take off the jeans and say, oh, you take off the jeans and you never see it. And that is what I would say if somebody did tell me that story there. And I said, then when you put it on, you never feel it in the jeans or whatever, or something like that, you know. But, you know, you did a reason. But, you know, them weird things happen to people. And you're like, you know, you don't really have a logical explanation for it. Because up to now, I don't know how the panty get in at the jeans, inside of the jeans. You know? No, man, don't die no me young, man. No, man, don't die no young. No found no come, one of the young gonna go out with phone and generalship too. Don't even get it twisted and thing and whatever. Okay. We know. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, what go? Yeah, taco.
So, big up me. Big up me, what tell the boy.
Yeah.
We come with a smartness, use my smart brain and come up with a strategy to tell the boy where say him what start me.
Mm-hmm.
Say oh him want, you know, he have to do that.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna come with a smartness and come up with a strategy and tell him say, if him ever greet me and I make me come, I'm gonna talk to my 7 ducky them. We walk with me every day and analyze it.
You tell him, say, if him ever do it to you and don't make your pop off, you gotta talk to your 7 duppy them, what?
Walk with me. I make them analyze him day.
I make them analyze him what?
Him D, you know, him down
Yeah,
there.
him D.
So, me dodge the ball for about 3 days, Raja. Like, make him not see me for about 3 days. Because me know, say, which farm I walk, me always I go see him.
Yeah.
So, about 3 days, I am hide. So, you know, so after 3 days, I come out with pencil and rosemary tie up my head. And about 7 garlic. Tie around me neck like chain. When the boy see me, the boy ask me how that. So me I said to him, say, me 7 up with them. Tell me something for walk with it.
You did have 7 garlic tie up around your neck with what?
Like a chain.
Well, turn on the volume on your phone a little bit. Just turn on the volume.
Yeah, yeah, hear me now?
No, turn on the volume on your phone. Yeah.
Yeah, hear me now?
A little bit more.
Yeah, hear me better?
Yeah, much better now. Yeah. So
yeah, so I have the chain, the garlic tie around my neck. 7 garlic tie around my neck like a chain. Because brother, I try to get rid of the boy because deep inside I'm afraid of the boy, you know. I'm afraid, I fear saying I'm going to do him for do, you know. So I try to come with something and say if that work.
Right.
So when him 3 days now, me hide the boy, Raja. Me not show up.
Raja, you call me. Why everybody call me Raja from what day? Everybody call me Raja from what day? I'll be a Raja, that's okay.
Because I listen to you and everybody call me Raja.
Everybody call me Raja, so you start calling me Raja. Okay, I'll work with it. That's cool.
Anyway.
Right.
So I tie the garlic around my neck and tie up my head and stick 2 pencils with the rosemary in my ear.
So you did all of this for get a man to stop on your front?
Yeah, Raja, because the boy I start me and I tell me say almost if me. So in my head me I said this boy catch me now way he might grape me, you understand?
Oh, okay. All right. So it is a send him wide.
So me tell him, so when you see me Raga, he stop and say, I want that mama. So me as a thing say, you know, say me talk to me say me do with them will walk me talk to me. And tell me say me for weight around my neck. For guard myself for the next for the person, anybody will touch me or something. Then them thing I got dead.
And then him eventually allow you.
For about couple days, me not see boy. Me walk and me kept me wear something in the Raga. Round me next year when you know me not see boy, me not see him. You know, say about couple days after somebody tell me say the boy say if them didn't know say the girl will live up there so she a witch. I may say so me I say work, but from them time I don't not see boy again.
Well, you did what you did and it worked and him stay wide from you and things like that and you accomplish your objective.
So me I say, I have to big up me, you use the little brain that God give me.
All right.
And run the somebody they do want to try something when up, you know?
Yeah, sometimes you have to smart.
Something that have to go on because me I tell you, I know if I could have worked with it, you know.
Okay. I say
because
you
that
did
boy
done.
where me hear say him done it already with people around it.
Oh, okay.
And then me see him a start me.
Yeah.
I tell him boy must ray with me.
Right.
Every
community have one of them man, them type of man. Yeah, for drive.
Me like, no big brother or anything to protect me like that.
Yeah.
So me have to just come with something. And when me come with work.
No, well, obviously, because him stay wide
but
from
for a long while, though, me have people that call me witch.
All right. You go around that. That's our word, man. Bless up yourself here. All right, cool. Yeah, sometimes you have to get creative, in order to achieve certain objective or certain ends and things and whatever, Remind me of the woman who bring a Rasta BUNNAMAN in her house. When I tell her husband about our cousin and him have to work with it because she have all right to bring her family there. And now get rid of the man. And the husband just buy one pig and say, I want a pet pig in my house and whatever. Rasta for splurt. Your greetings.
Big up yourself, Raga.
You see?
Yeah, man, me I follow you for a long time, you know, from way back in the days, from around 2009 that time there.
Long time, see it there.
Yeah, and my girlfriend did hook me onto your still. Right?
See it, give thanks.
So back in the days still, me have a raga mix up.
Yeah. You have a what?
Me have a raga mix up.
A raga mix up?
A raga mix up, yeah.
Okay, all right.
Back in the days.
Yeah.
But it coming at some money.
Mm.
So me I figure out a way, you know, how to turn over this money.
Mm.
So every idea I put to my girlfriend, see?
Yeah.
She always a turn it down.
Yeah.
And a good money making idea, you know.
Yeah.
So I say, all right. Me could use raga then to keep a show. And we are going to use base at this. So she glad up. And she said, yeah, man. So the day now when I shot go up at the studio, seeing up at the radio station.
Yeah.
So I said, I go link raga.
Yeah.
So I go up there now and make the payment and I try to find a date where I work with.
Yeah.
And give me a date. So I shot go base at this and give them that date and see if they can work with that date.
So Raga, they give you the date?
Yeah, man, Raga give me the date.
And Raga, they get him deposit?
Yeah, man, Raga get him deposit.
Yeah.
And I give him deposit. You know?
Yeah.
But the day of the show now, I'm supposed to give him my next deposit.
Of course, you know.
Yeah,
Because Raga would have made you known that deposit like the date and on the day of the show, you give me the balance before me go up on stage, yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So the day of the show, Raga.
Yeah.
Then time the year it will for 4 because you didn't come in at the show late. You come like on 2 o'clock. Everybody come to see you. All the woman then come out.
Yeah, them time them usually. Yeah, them time. Yeah.
So when you come in and the time them in that shot on F-150, that name time the F-150 is hot.
Well, and which part the dance it keep?
Me don't want to talk about it.
All right, go on, talk.
So
well, and I ain't saying time.
Yeah?
I ain't saying time.
No, man. No.
It wasn't saying time, but it was based
I
Odyssey.
don't know same time.
Okay.
Base Odyssey come from sentence.
But yeah, go on.
Yeah, man. So in the day of the show now, we have a F-150.
Yeah.
So through the people crowd them out, you know, they say, all right, make Raga come in at the side, that's in the passenger side of the port after the rest of the loot.
For do what? For count off the money. Yeah, the money, yeah.
So me and him didn't know in the van and we are count off the money, see?
Yeah.
But through Raga come in late, he say he might give him back 130 grand out of it, which me not expect that still, you know.
That is something Raga would do.
Yeah, that's a good move. So anyway, we did account some money, see? So my woman knows the passenger door and rest her hand right against Raga bars, right? Yes, sir. So Mr. Raga caught the money and he shock. Raga shock and stop count the money and the whole head straight. That time I laugh. But I turn my face sideways and make a little smirk. But you know she starstruck, So she say Raga, you understand? There's her hand right there, so.
So what you did? So it never bother you or nothing?
No, it never bothered me, Raga.
Raga did respond. What you say Raga does what he makes straight?
Man, Raga shock, man. Raga count the money, you know, like him I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When he reach a 9 now, the girl open the door and rest her hand right there, so. But what she come to ask for, you know, Raga, not relevant to where she come for, you know.
Yeah.
She just definitely come there so to do that. And when they see the shock on Raga face, and Raga this look straight at him, so like
you know, so may I try. No, me do several events with BS Odyssey, so you know, BS Odyssey they out and thing.
That's serious thing, man.
But may I try. But yo,
but you know, so never say nothing to her still and ask her why she do that. No, sir.
You sure she didn't mean to do that for put her hand there, so?
With this face that I just flush his tear. Yo, she didn't love Raga the entire time. Yeah. And Raga tear out the face.
Yeah, man, I got in a lot.
I mix up and blend
That time. I mix up and blend that time, you know. No, man, I enough problem I get in with man at Jamaica them time there, you know, man. Yeah, some man just get up and hate me, you know, for no reason, you know. Well, you know, them days the boy.
Yeah, man, but me and them one of them man, I never did bother mistake. Yeah.
No, somebody I say you make it seem real. You know, the man I say it's real.
I real thing, man. I don't know joking. A real thing.
And it possibly, you know, because
and they show shit, you know, like I tell us they make a food, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, actually hot girl they do at the bar there, you know. And they have some rhythm there. Rolling, rhythm and rolling. And the girl who was right there saying, if you're rhythm roll when you're walking around,
all the girl what? All the girl what?
All the girl restaurant and right in Raga bars. Yeah, rhythm roll when she walk.
Oh.
Yeah, man, I didn't type of girl.
Well, I'm a clarinet on the dance, Zicky.
Yeah, man.
No, there was a no, there was a and when you said that a while ago, you know, because if I remember correctly, you know, at that time it was like, oh, I know him, woman.
Yeah.
That did run through my mind. And I said, oh, I know him, woman.
Yeah.
Because I can't him, woman.
Yeah, man.
And yeah, and she said, right. She said, no, man, girl, he cock up and stay well and, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man. She did have that. Yeah. So
I already mocked them, man.
No, man. Well, cock up and strong up and full of shape and them sitting there and whatever. Strong up, man. That's solid. Man, you know, them woman, they will have that something that way, you that thing, so them in a gym. Them in a gym every day, but them in another gym, I just saw them stand, you know?
Oh, I just
yeah.
They were sister, them also them still there.
Oh, I like sister them just have that genetic thing there, yeah. Nah, but if it is what I'm remembering, what flashed in my mind was, this is not your woman.
Yeah, man, I'm woman.
Yeah, because, you know, with them little movements there, you know. Yeah. But you see them time they too made it have to careful too, you know, because sometimes the woman them roll a certain way and get me in a trouble and beat me up, you know.
Sure.
So you see them time I'm in a run in. I'm in a run in, you know. So you're not run in, you know, because just for safety, you know.
Exactly.
And then we never need to, if you know. So them time them is just like, you know. So if I remember correctly, it's coming like, yo, he's off your son, you know, because I don't know what is what type of thing, which is something what I always do, you know. Yeah, I understand. Yeah.
Obviously the shop.
Yeah. Yeah. If I were me I think about, you know, me I say, yeah, I know him woman. Me think I'm woman. This time I see a process in my mind, you know. Well, I can't him woman then because if she move, so you know.
Anyway,
I
want to a Chinese.
Well, turn down the volume on your phone, look at me.
Me have a Chinese.
Yeah, because it going in and out with the echo, so turn on the volume.
How is that?
Yeah, probably look better. Yeah, go on.
Yes, I have a Chinese mix up for you, see?
Yeah.
So as a youth I grew up,
yeah.
I always want to say, boy, I want to sample every race of woman. So
no. You start, you know, and I swear to you, I probably the same thing me did go through, you know, but go on talk. I think me know where this I go, but go on talk, yeah.
Yeah. So as a youth I grew up, I always say, I want to sample every race of woman, see?
Yeah.
I go through my own race them. I deal with that China, you know, I never deal with China, I deal with that Indian, I deal with Spanish, I deal with white, I deal with mulatto, but I never deal with the Chinese.
Yeah.
So opportunity pop up now for me meet a Chinese, so I go to this liquor shop scene.
Yeah.
Because up here I'm there, you know, I'm not too far from you, you know, on the East Coast.
See.
So I got this liquor shop scene. Go order something.
Yeah.
I see a nice pretty Chinese girl inside it. So me and her start talk. And she, she read me and she give me back lyrics and I talk to me and she make me know say boyfriend she come up, she never go out. Her father just have her in the place.
Yeah.
She and her brother,
Yeah.
And she and her brother and her father lived up on the building.
Right.
So anyway, me and her did that talk and she said, should I want me and her go out?
Seeing?
So it's like me meet her the Monday, seeing?
Yeah.
And we plan to go out on the Wednesday.
Yeah.
But being as me, they like 2 hours from her, I never take her number.
Right.
But she come know say she the right at the shop, that's all.
Right. Right.
So when we step out of the shop now, it's like a mind say, look behind you.
Mm-hmm.
So when me look behind me, me see a Chinese man step out.
Yeah.
And I'm Kimbo. And I looking at my direction. So I say, how am I look pan? So I look down the road to see who am I look towards. And I realize say, nobody no down there. And me man I look pan. So I say, oh shit. It look like, excuse me grammar. It look like say, I me the man I pray. So me no say nothing no. Me step back in my house which part me get and he stand up and then look for me in a rag. I say, if looks could have kill. Me say, the man give me a look there in a ragga. But you me know say me know look a Karachi, because if a Karachi I come with me know look a Karachi. Oliver Samuel teach me, you understand?
Right. Oliver Samuel teach a Karachi on him show.
Yeah. So you see the Wednesday now when me link back the girl is her brother me see in the shop and I say, what you there? And she said, her father sent her back to China. And I say, box cover. Me never get to score this. I feel so disappointed. They say, Raga. The man send back the woman to China, the father,
Yes, man. You're out there, man.
Yeah.
Black man, you want to come corrupt him, man.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, man, back
so
to
that
China
blighted
for
my
you.
prospect.
Yeah, man, back to China for you,
Yeah, but anyway, meet the next one up at Bluebells. See? Different one this and one, Raga.
Yeah.
So anyway, at the time when I meet her mother, but me never meet her father because she say her father not too. And I said like them the rest of people, but her mother done with it.
Yeah.
So the night we go make a move now on her. So she wipe me down. I said, John, she make me feel good because first
you say you make a move and she wipe. Well, she wipe you down. Or she give her headers. She give her headers.
I said, that time I be already before I go there still.
Well, on, man, she give her headers.
No, not that one, them man. Definitely, when I wipe down baby and make sure she then pile them down and you understand?
Like literal wipe down?
Baby treatment that she give me.
Well, on, but you mean wipe you down?
Definitely wipe it down, man. Like wet rag and with soap and wipe it down, wipe off your hand, then wipe down your foot, then wipe off your back. Then. You understand?
Well, she just wet one rag and soap up your rag and I wipe you down?
Yeah, she just a wipe it down, yeah.
Well, are you still have on your clothes?
No, we take off everything, man.
But you take off the wall, you go there forget look at chun. And then you take off the wall of your clothes and when you take off your wall of your clothes, she just go wet to a rag and I wipe you down?
But she never me turn me lay down on my stomach, And she wipe down my back, you understand? And she hold me and I wipe it down, wipe down my foot and wipe down my foot bottom and then something there.
Hold on. You go forget shout out from a woman the first time.
A Chinese, yeah.
A Chinese woman. And you end up lay down on your belly and turn your back to her.
Yeah, she said to take off my clothes.
And lay down on your belly and you lay down there and make that woman a wipe it. You're brave no blood. Listen to me. Hey, me not be like, what you mean? What you want me to lay down naked? She did have on fear clothes?
No, she take off fear, man. Yeah, she take off, she only have on her handy,
All right, go on, talk.
So she put me on my back now and wipe me down and then.
Well, you did it on your belly, so she was to turn you over now?
On my belly, yeah. Yeah.
But you say she put you on your back? No.
Not on my back, sorry, on my stomach.
On your stomach, okay.
So then she
So so when she wipe it on, she wipe down your back button and all them something, eh?
everywhere she wipe down one.
What the? This is so strange, man. It's so anyway, go on,
So I wonder if I saw for them thing, PR thing go, you understand?
Hey, yeah, go on,
Yeah, but anyway, we kind of take my wipe down. We say, I first
you take your wipe down. All right, then.
Yeah, I first one woman never wipe it down. You understand?
Okay. Yeah.
So when she said, me to turn over.
Yeah.
So when me turn over, me see the shock on her face. And she said, oh, that can't go fit. It can't fit. So me start fretting on I'm now get to school. And she did and it can't fit. So me feel disappointed now because me did a raise in a rather.
Yeah.
And then she said that it just start go back down. And she said, what is wrong with me? And I said, nothing, man. It's just it can't fit, you know. And then she said, she willing to try.
Yeah.
So she take her hand and then she start play with it now, and then the deck will rise up back.
Yeah, in general. So, okay, let's go.
Yeah. So anyway, we did a raga, we try this one we're going on 69. Me and her. See? So when we look and see which part she has said,
so the first time you get it from her, right?
At the first time, man.
Yeah. I want to go in at 69.
We go in at 69, but me never look at which part me go put me member.
Right.
You understand? So when me look at the raga, me see the entrance way, look. Me see why she say it can't fit.
Okay.
Because it's span.
Yeah.
You understand? But she willing to try it, so me know, me take my finger and go on, you know, play with it, because I don't know her history, you know what I'm saying? Me put them out there.
Right.
You understand? But me have a way, me have one finger when me just put it there and kind of blow like a ear for them, if she feel good, you know? And she say, what did I when it never did it?
What you do, you put your finger in the living room and then blow upon it, makes you feel
exactly. And then blow like a breeze there, make
you
it
blow some breeze, and when you blow breeze, what you say the breeze for do now?
When the breeze go then it ticklish and then water start run. Yeah, that's
so you did a blow, you did a give her a blow, but the blow was just a literal blow. Okay.
Just little ear go there, yeah, exactly.
Yeah. All right. And then what happened after that? Yeah, what happened after that?
Anyway, Raga. Yeah. I call that coming a while ago. Sorry about that.
Yeah.
When we go there now, going on the child's play, Raga, we try every position. Could it fit? We try this away, we try that. Then somebody start fretting now in the Raga. I said, me now will get this score. And she said, hold on, man. And she go right at the edge of the bed, Raga. And alright, that's how we try. She rolled up some KY gel over the member. And I suck how we could have find a way. We force the way until we go through the door.
Hey, you know what I said?
She ball out.
Yeah, go on, yeah.
So me ease up. And she said, no, FR. Don't stop. But anyway, Raga, we go on with the thing, and when we done, she show me, say, after we finish, I say, it was way up here. I show me which part it there. So me I said, then if it way up here, so after me I said to myself, why she didn't make me ease up, you know? But she glad she liked the flex. And she had said before me left out, she said we was gonna link her tomorrow. So I said, what a girl we get to herself, we could have been really fit. And yesterday she wanna make her link her again tomorrow. But anyway, we go link her the next day again. Right now me and her still there. Yeah, well, me and her still at job now. I'm going about 3 to 4 years now. This year I make 4 years.
What one of they out right now and thing?
Well, I mean, I kill it. Now, me go link her, you know, make sure come with palm my ends. That's a different cat in the palm my ends. Yeah, that's what we go link her.
So 3 to 4 years now that juggling there going.
Yeah, man, a 3 to 4 years that link there go and said we.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, well, yeah, just keep it 100. So you pass a thing then also. So you give her a little, you know. She give her headers and thing. I mean, you pass the first thing, so you give her a little oral fix up.
Yeah, a pretty girl too, you know, Raga, look girl.
No, what I mean is she get her oral fix up now to one thing.
Yeah, man, she good now, man. A clean girl, man.
Yeah, clean girl. Okay, cool.
Clean girl, yeah. Well, at the first time, you kind of hesitate the first time. Still,
yeah, man. I just some breeze should have to get the first time, don't you? Get some breeze.
Man, but she do our test them and think, she do our nurse LP, you know.
Okay. All right, Papa. No say a word, man. Respect for the meds.
Yeah, man. We'll link again, man.
Yeah,
man. Next Mixup again. You know. If you have a confession, Mixup, you know.
Yeah. No, we do that. We do that at Jamaican, boy. I tell you, that's one of the things where they get me in a problem down there. But anyway, we are going to do that one of them topic here. We'll do that. All right?
All right.
Blessings, man. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself.
Yeah, man. Cool. An interesting world we live in, you know. Learn some things that some people go through and thing and whatever. All right, let me take 1 or 2 more and then I gotta go. All right. I don't want nobody start no or whatever. Okay.
Okay, may I get from?
Hello.
Hi, Raga, how are you? Good night.
I'm good, you know, I'm going with you.
No, no change of life. Come in. So, I'm going to Raga show, Ragashanti show. How are you, though?
Hello.
Hi, Raga.
Yeah.
How are you, though?
Eh?
How are you, though?
I'm good, you know. But you can move her from the music, please.
Can you mute that? Look for me, please. Can you mute that? Thank you. What's the topic?
I don't really have no topic. Oh, so you don't really have anything to say? You just a check to see what go on?
Yeah, I have well, not really mix up, but it happened like a couple of years ago.
So tell me, man.
Like a couple of years ago, they with this guy.
Yeah.
Well, he having their mother.
Yeah.
So my sister, they with him cousin, I'm gonna look for his sister. My sister. So me and him end up talk. Then him baby mother find out because she said she pregnant like 2 months before me pregnant. Just for the record, I'm not pregnant, but I know about her and we do whatever sometimes I'm pregnant.
No, so you weren't pregnant?
No. At the time.
At the time you weren't pregnant. Yeah. But then when you and him start talk?
Yeah.
And then she come tell him say she pregnant again?
No, him tell me say she pregnant. And she just start give me attitude.
Okay, and you say in response, you tell him say you pregnant too?
Yeah, like 2 months later, I tell him that I am pregnant.
But you're saying you weren't pregnant?
No.
Okay, and the reason why you told him you were pregnant when you weren't pregnant is because?
The girl did give me attitude and not say me and him there when we never there.
Oh, so you did just tell him that for just at up for your head and just, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, go on.
Yeah, but she feels that she bad and then she go over my yard. When he over my yard, I meet up her him friend yard, which is my sister boyfriend.
Yeah.
When she that fear yard, me over there. So him start attack the boy, say me and him, they blah blah blah.
Him start. You mean she start attack him?
Yeah.
Say what? Say you and him there?
Yeah.
But you and him did start out?
Yeah.
So
We
when
ain't there, we just did a sort out.
so when never there, when you just did a sort out. Okay. Okay, and then what?
She does feel like she want to move over, and then I was proving a point to my sister, like, oh, I'm a real wife around here.
Okay.
So I did have to win my sister. Then in family start here, say me pregnant while she pregnant, say family start show me more respect than her. So when she over there, mother get jealous. PR mother get jealous. And call her, tell herself to come up. So she come up, her brother go for her. Then the guy come and give me a key. So I just go hold the key in front of my sister and say, you see who are real wife around here?
Oh, okay.
So couple days later now, must say I come for him close and close it over there. The call the guy and tell him, because I was there. She just start fling after me. I mean, I'm in bed, you know. My man clothes. So she just start fling back after me and the man hold on pan him. But the rhythm of the story is she eventually fling 2 big stone after me and me around go up deal and one connecting I made back on my sister. I try fight the next one because she and her sister come.
Well, and you, sorry, but you did in the bed and she threw a stone off for you, and then somehow you
No, me
run.
did in the bed and she fling a buckler for me, so me get up out of the bed.
Oh, so you did in a, you say you
her.
did in the bed in a theme clothes in the bed, right?
Yeah, in the man clothes.
Right, and she do, and what you say she do?
She come in and fling a buckler for me and I get up out of the bed to go attack her and the man hold on for her.
Who hold on
she
pan her? The
eventually
brother
go
who
to
you
her
deal with, right? The man, right?
Yeah.
Him hold on pan her, and then what you do?
Get off if guy let him go so me attack him.
And when you say him, you mean she?
Yeah.
So you attack her and then what happen?
She end up calling her sister and miss run outside and her sister, my sister was there, so my sister fight the one of her sister and one fling 2 stone off of me when me go up the hill.
So what you did I do a run go up the hill? What you mean you go?
Because I 3 of them and me alone at the time before my sister come.
Oh, so you did a run for just get your friend then because you not play a hero, right?
No.
Right, and when you go up on head, one eye stone and clot in your head back, no?
Yeah.
Like what kind of lick you they get? Like is a good is a what is the flatter?
No, my
is
hair
flatter
back
you?
never really damaged.
Oh, okay. So what this woman was in baby mother before, and when she pregnant, it was a second baby?
No, she pregnant out of school, obviously. So me pregnant out of school too, because me and her are same age.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So what happened after?
But she have her daughter, me have a son, kind boy still I send money for my only son and him never see him. Kind that Canada. Oh, when he want to see me tell him saying that Canada.
When him want to see him, you tell his son say him there Canada?
No, I tell him same son that Canada.
Oh, but there wasn't any son?
No. Like Ali dear.
Yeah.
Him say I must send him out. And I does. Sometimes I tell him say I send him so him to go pick him up.
So in my mind, a picnic. So well on, but so how it did go with you on the belly? Wait, how it did go with you on the belly? If you see, since I lie, you did that tell him. How it did go with you on the belly? Him never see you with belly yet. Yo.
Huh?
Him never see you with belly yet.
No.
So him not
I must
see.
see one time he see me during the pregnancy and my belly would do that big. You had about 3 months.
Well on. So you did really pregnant for him after?
No.
You know I say your story not straight though.
Yeah.
Yeah, your story not straight.
Yeah, but that's the facts.
No, but what me I say is you tell him lie, say you did pregnant but you never pregnant. So me I ask you like if you never pregnant, a belly couldn't do that. And if him never see a belly or him reach a point where he pick the bar
If I turn on my camera, you will see my belly.
What you mean? No?
Yeah.
What, so you have the belly
When me
now?
eat a lot, my belly shoot out a bit.
Oh, you mean, is this like is a thing where you have in general?
Yeah.
No, but you say he must send money for the picnic.
Yeah.
Why would a man send money for a picnic when he never ever see a picture of the picnic or see you with the belly and them something?
Him see picture, him just don't see the picnic in a real life.
What you mean? You get a picture and show him a picture and say, see your baby, yeah?
My nephew pictures.
So he's mining a baby when he say a female that he has never ever seen?
In a real life, yeah.
No? Oh. And you did show him pictures of your belly or something like so if he said
Him get picture of belly, him get picture of everything.
Oh.
Our also son, him get picture of.
So basically, yeah, scam him.
Not anymore.
Oh, not anymore.
Him just make sure it's them do what you have to do.
Oh, so
basically, I'm collecting my pension.
Spoken like a Jamaican.
We call it pension. Where I'm from, we call it pension.
No, well, that common thing that across Jamaica.
A couple months there with them for a couple of years, and then we are them left. We call it pension.
You call it the pony pension, right?
Yeah.
So basically, you run this pan a man who supposedly have a real baby mother with a real child where you don't have and whatever, and you have to make sure you collect your pension.
Yeah, my mind is 3 people that me have. Well, my opinion that make 3, but in reality have 2.
Oh. Okay. All right.
All right.
All right. Hello? Hello?
Yo.
Yeah.
So, the story what me I tried saying All right, so I was born in Jamaica, right?
Yeah.
But I moved to the United States when I was like 2 years old.
Right.
So I'm going down, I'm visiting like every summer over in St. Anne's.
Right.
So you know something, I'm Americanized still.
Yeah.
So it's like I don't know that certain things is like forbidden on, and you know, so I'm down there keep up with foolishness. I go on with my nastiness.
What you go down in Jamaica and you keep up foolishness and your nastiness?
Yeah, man, you know, so I go down there, I try to lick for a woman.
What do you mean lick power? You try lick power woman? What do you mean?
You know, so me I go down there, I try to give woman head as you know. Because you know, over here in the States, it was regular in the United States.
Uh-huh.
But when I went down back to the islands, I didn't know that type of stuff was forbidden on, you know?
Okay.
No, so my grandma banned me from off our island to the rudder.
Your grandma what? Your grandma what?
You know, so she run me off our island to the...
Your grandma run you off the island?
Yeah, man, she tell me so me can't come back to Jamaica because me a nasty man.
Why?
You know, so Wally...
Why your grandma run you off there?
You feel me? Because, you know, so she want to call me Boaz and all type of sitting the family men that talk to me. Like, you know, so it got rough for me down there.
Okay, so your grandma run you off because you down there eat front.
Yeah, but you know, so me ain't know so you can't do this sitting on the show.
Earlier when you were speaking, you say your grandma run you off the island. You said land.
Yeah, so she tell me so me can't come back to Jamaica.
But hold on. if you came up here when you were like, you said 2-year-old?
Yeah, 2.
And you say you're Americanized.
Yeah, because it's, like, because, I was brought up in California. I spent more time in California than I spent on the island. Like, I was going down for summer school and, like Christmas vacations and stuff like that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so, I didn't know the traditions and that certain things is forbidden on, like.
No, but explain something to me. If you came to the United States at 2 years old and you're Americanized and whatever, it's highly unlikely that you would pronounce the word island as island, which is only pronounced that way by people in rural parts of Jamaica.
Like, what do you mean?
Huh?
Feel me? Say it again.
I said, if you came to the United States at 2 years old, and you're Americanized, so at 2 years old, you're not even forming speech yet or so forth. Good, right?
Yeah.
Right? And then now, after being fully Americanized, essentially, you pronounce the word island, you pronounced it island.
Yeah,
Which is, hold on, which is only pronounced that way by people from, not even people in Kingston say island. It's only people from rural Jamaica, country Jamaica, say island.
So, so I don't from the family them come from. None of the Central Zero. Feel me? I country that, no?
Your accent just now, is not the accent where you start with.
Feel me? What do you mean, bro?
Huh? No. What you just talk a while ago is another accent that you did start with.
I don't know what accent I'm supposed to use then.
No, I'm not tell you what you're supposed to use. I just say, island is a unique word where only people from rural Jamaica speak that. You're not supposed to speak it as an American.
Raga, me a Jamaican man, a Jamaican me born here.
Yeah, but you say you left here when you're 2-year-old.
But so that don't mean nothing still enough.
Oh, okay.
Up here, Jamaica mean their own.
Okay, and that's why you say island.
Well, I thought that's what it was, island.
You thought that's what it was, island?
Yeah, because I saw me mother call it, I saw my father call it. So let me.
Oh, okay.
Well, they don't say island. They say island, so.
No, but if you're in your American accent and thing, which you were, you should have just attacked. Usually when people, only but people who grew up American will grow up around them Jamaican parents and them can switch it up. But when them in at them standard English, they would never say island.
Oh, well, I don't know then. Well, I don't know what I did wrong. But the part of the story that I'm trying to get to is I didn't know that was forbidden on the island.
So when this happened to you, when your granny run you off of the island?
When they go at this time, we all in school for
how long ago was this?
It's like 2003, 4.
2003, 4. So how old were you then?
I was about 16, 17.
Okay.
Yeah, because I'm 26 now, so.
Okay. What year you born?
89.
You born 89?
Yeah, 89.
And it's around 2003.
Yeah, 3-4.
2003, 4.
Yeah.
So that means you were 14, 15.
Yeah, around there.
Okay.
No, maybe 15 or 16.
Okay.
Because I June, I remember we go to summer school.
Yeah. And you say you're 36 now?
Yeah.
Check it. If you're 36 now, check it.
Feel me? Do the math, man.
Huh?
Yeah, feel me?
Yeah, so
Yeah,
you're 36. You're 36 in a 2025. You became 36, right?
yeah. Like I just had a birthday on the 24th of last month.
On the 24th of last month was your birthday. So you're 36, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right then. So if we take off 21 years out of 36, how much you left with now?
Do the month now?
No, you tell me. So, you know. Ain't gone. Yeah, me did that go down that much, you know, but it look like ain't gone. That mean him granny would have banned him off of the island at 14, 15 and said, don't come back. That mean him would have down there in Jamaica. It kind of makes sense with what him said in terms of the numbers. 21 and 15 is 36, yeah. No, man, but the island thing, though, it's just... I don't know. All right, all who there, if you not follow me yet, follow me now. The man said, why me mute him? I never mute you. I never mute you. Or you get cut out. Me think so you leave. All right. I never mute you. I never mute you.
Oh yeah. Well, I thought you muted me.
Okay, so basically you did a Eid front in Jamaica when you're 14, 15 and your granny born you from the island, right?
Raga, you know what I'm saying? Well, see, and then what say, I feel me, I went problem with I eat front, you know, because like I said, that if you ever lived in the state, like everyone does it.
Everybody in the state do it?
Well, you know, so me don't know nobody that no do it, you know.
Or you don't know anybody in the state that don't do it?
No, man.
Okay, so everybody in the states do it?
Well, around me and like in my circumference, it's like everyone I grew up with, everyone I knew, like outside of my family, you know, like school and all this stuff.
Okay. All right, let me see what you are saying. So when you say banyo, just real quickly, your granny tell you say you're enough to come back to Jamaica.
Yeah, man. That's what she told me to me nasty, man.
Okay.
Yeah, she told me say me was if you come back down there.
Yeah. So how she find out say you did do that?
You know, so me not know, well, me not knowing that. I guess people in the community, because you know it's like a little small town, so they just start talking. I really don't know how it got out.
No,
But
that
they
must
just
mean say probably y'all swipe one girl and you know you eat it good and thing and she just run go tell everybody but you did eat it good. Me don't know.
I don't know.
But I mean, what is your head game good?
We'll see.
Huh?
Me not know enough.
No, but
But
based
you
on
know,
the
so no woman
based
ever give me no complaint.
and a woman never get no complaints yet. So all right, fine, you don't get no complaint. But when your head game did go on them time there and thing, like was it like exceptional based on the woman's reaction? You could say it was exceptional.
Yeah, you know, say more in a fitness, so me know I want me to really do until me get when I look at the older, but
Right.
you know, so me pretty sure.
Okay, so the woman them who you swipe at Jamaica, was some good swipe? You did enjoy it? Were they really?
Nah, bro. Feel me? I only dealt with like 2 Jamaican women in my life.
Right, but I'm saying at that time, was the swipe them good? Them they taste good?
I don't see it was a problem. I didn't know what it was supposed to taste like at that point. You know?
They know you do it. No, but me not ask you what it was supposed. Me just ask you if you did enjoy it, if it did taste good.
You know, some love. You know, some love woman. So you know, so woman tastes good to me, now.
Yeah.
So you know, so long as she take care of herself and wash up herself, you know, so me, I'm going there with first, you know.
Yeah, okay. So you just a woman, as long as them clean, them just taste good, period, right?
Me, I'm going there head first.
You go there head first. You dive in.
Head first.
Okay, all right. That's good.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Head first. You
Head
know, so
first.
me, I jump in the like a pool.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
All right then, so big up yourself. Yeah?
Yeah, you feel me? You feel me? You know, so me now go high and I say me now do that. I will up a line or somebody will come on the channel and I feel me, I act like them now.
Like them
They
now
do it,
do
you know.
it. Yeah, so some of them are hide and lick. Enough of them are
Yeah,
hide
man.
and lick for sure. I saw them stay out there, man.
Okay,
Yeah.
so you feel me? So I guess if they want to hard down lake, you know, so they can send for them woman feel me where now. Because me now go hard and do it. I mean I go tell the
You
woman so
know
me I
what
go do it.
Jamaica call them?
What?
You not since you not say, shy bowers. That them call them at Jamaica, shy bowers, you know.
Bro, I mean this is 2025, man. I mean people gotta be comfortable with themselves and their own sexuality. I guess if
Yeah.
not, I mean that's on them.
Yeah. All right.
I mean tell them to sell them this. I mean tell them to send they want it my way. I'll take care of it.
It's okay, but we know really do that on the show, but we hear what you say.
Okay, well pour it in, you know.
All right then. Your name,
Okay,
big
well,
up
next
yourself.
time, you know.
All right then, head first. Big up yourself, you know. You say head first. That's your name, head first. Diver. All right, big up yourself. You hear, sir?
All right.
Okay, cool. Man say, him say head first and think, yeah, no people not enjoying themselves out there in the world. Anyway, I let go here now, you know. All right. I feel now 10 o'clock. I made a plan for done 9:30 today, you know. Right? And at 10 o'clock now. See it there? More than 4 hours I'm there. All right, people, big up on yourself in our Mars, you know. All right? Blessings and respect, you know. And people, all I want to just come in at 6 o'clock tomorrow. If I look a bit late or so, just there, right? Because I'm not going to get the notification, okay? All I want to just come in at 6 o'clock tomorrow. I want to mark, but where me I go? Eh? Oh, me I done so abrupt. Yeah, man, sometimes you have to just done it sharp, you know. Sometimes look like that I for go on. Say, come here. Mark say, come here. So I come to you now, what going on, man? Eh? What going on, you call me and think, man, I know you call me, you know, and then I come, you can angle where you go pick up, you know. Too abrupt. Sometimes look abrupt I for go on or whatever, yeah? Sometimes that I for go on. And I'm Morris, man, but all I want to know forward tomorrow, just come in and check your page, right? Because you're not complaining about the notification and things. Just check your page around 6 or a little after 6 or whatever and things, see? And no bother, you know, we have to evolve a thing where we not depend on the notification because we don't know that go, all right? So make sure someone just check my page tomorrow around the nice 6 bells, all right? See it? Fresh Prince, big up yourself, and I'm want a big respect to all of my subscribers them and thing, you know. Large up on yourself and thing, see it? Yeah. You eat too late, raga. Yeah, the late eating. Because I'm not a late eater, you know. I'm not a late eater. 6 p.m. 6 p.m. US East Coast time, which is 5 p.m. Jamaica now, okay? And we don't have to play Punsi every night, you know. The Punsi can't play every night. Cool. No smart beverage. Some people do that and them still don't get the notification, you know. All right? Ruthie DIY Live, like I said, I started at 6 o'clock. I started a little bit before 6 and it's after 10 now, so I do 4 hours. You know, me ask on the phone understanding right this. All right? Blessings. Nah, man, I just come about 6 o'clock, man, and just check my page, man, right? And if I'm not dead yet, just check little after 6 to or something, right? Because if it depend on the notification, sometimes you not go. Sunday Solid, big up yourself, you know. Queen B, Raga, you sweet, you know. Thank you. I disagree, but thank you. All right. All right, people in that moment. Antoinette, you go bed so early and you know and you don't have nobody in it. You go bed so early and you don't have nobody in it. So what wrong with that? What wrong with that? Eh? What wrong with that? Nothing wrong. Me and my bed good, you know. Yeah. I carry mattress me grew up on, so you see me have a little bed, a comfortable bed where I can lay down, you know. I miss my car, I'm good. Me and my bed good. All right? You know about that. Okay? Watch ya. Good night, people. Good night. 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 Good night, Morris. All right, cool. I'm out.